No.
No, physical therapy, not whatever that's called, physical something.
Training.
Yeah, that's the one. There's too many words that start with T.
Not that many.
But yeah, it's not fun. It's not that big of a deal though, thankfully.
So some streamers aren't live yet. Okay, just lie to me more, Twitch. Go on. I literally saw it start the stream together, and it was like, yeah, this person's not live yet, and it's like, no, the fuck they are. I see it right there.
I got some monster after work though, so
That's crazy.
yay.
All right. I'm gonna push up some changes that I want you to.
Also, yes, Moaz, I want ice cream.
That I want you to
Please.
pull my changes or whatever.
I would like to keep my energy across turns. Thank you.
Oh, that's fire. I get it. That's a Slay the Spire reference. Oh, thank God I can watch the better stream now. Also get well soon, JW. Why did you tell JW to get well in my chat after swapping over?
That's crazy. Get back here, Moaz. Get out of the bad stream. Get back here.
It was about a fucking holiday, old you. There we go. There we go. That's how I keep Moaz over here, is I make a deadlock reference. And she's like, oh,
you're
shit,
saying that like
deadlock.
there's anything different on your stream.
There is.
Besides like worse music.
Different music, and I'm not on an ultra wide, so I don't have to crop my fucking screen.
Yeah, well that means I can see my chat better, which means I can respond to my chat more frequently.
What are you talking about, dude?
There's a reason I respond to both chats at once, because you don't read your chat.
Well, that's because I
don't care about his chat.
That's because usually I'm like, yo, dog, I've got to do this fucking coding thing really quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What app do you use for music? I literally just use Spotify.
I don't.
I should probably use something else, but like I have like a Spotify family thing, so I get it for free. Anyways, did I add the knife sticker? I think I did.
Why is there? Oh, no, there's not.
What is up, cats? Hello, twin. How are you doing tonight?
Extremely surface
I got
level
my monster.
knowledge.
I got my
OS. Oh,
I feel whenever I like, I need to throw out my cans more often.
True.
I always feel so lazy when I just have like a pile of cans on my desk. It's like,
yeah. Moaz, you.
What is? Oh, go ahead. You finish your thing first.
Yeah. It's just I want to bring this up because I feel like Moaz would like this. I checked out my bookmarks on TikTok because it's been a minute, and because I haven't used TikTok in like months. The most recent like 10 bookmarks were all things about like Deadlock, where it was like,
that's crazy.
Deadlock running the Deadlock fast urn route, and like really cool combo for silver or like shit like that. And I'm like, okay, I see what I was doing the last time that I used TikTok.
What's the plan for today? I have no clue. We need to figure that out. Basically work on demo.
It's mostly true.
Also, I added a lantern to the train stop.
Provided a lantern. What the hell?
And let me find a different room. This is probably a bad room for it, but
is that room finished, or is that just like a placeholder thing?
No, it needs. I was just testing the layout. Oh, also this is interesting.
What is?
It was just messed up. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. As you can see, the light is off if you can't use it.
I wonder how much of this.
Then when you finish the room, the light turns on. Look at that.
I'm just gonna go through and I'm just gonna commit a bunch of files at once, and we're gonna hope that it works.
Oh, also new sound when the train arrives. Hold up. I pause my music. You can watch.
Oh, you
turn the sound on.
All right, I'm putting GW on screen share, and then I'm gonna turn on his sound. So good luck, everybody. All right.
Okay. So this is the regular sound.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't like where that's at currently. I don't like where the bench is, but that sounds cool.
Yeah, that's just because it defaults to where the teleporter was.
Yeah, we can also add if we're using the bench for the teleporters, we can also use we can add the drop to ground code to make it always flush with the ground.
Yeah, we could do that. Why did it translate uwu to wow? Google, I mean, needs to like kill the translation thing on YouTube. It's awful.
They're probably just feeding it to ChatGPT.
This is true. Teleporting so satisfying. We also might want to add a delay on teleporting so you can't spawn like 5 different trains.
Yeah, maybe.
I think also. We may want to. Let me test something. Yeah, we may want to like queue free the train when you teleport. No, like when you teleport, because right now if I do this and then like go back into this room, you can still, or maybe it does. Maybe it's just the audio. I don't know.
Yeah, I thought we did queue free the train, but yeah.
But that's probably fine. I think we just need a delay on how soon you can do it again.
Yeah. All right. No, I didn't push up the changes. I committed them, but I didn't push the push button.
Okay. Right, I'll pull them. Let me
Yeah.
resume the music.
Right. So new changes are up. Some of the big ones are room loot stuff. There's also a slight fix for that Windows thing that we were seeing where it was like flickering the mouse and it was causing the thing to swap between like controller or keyboard input and mouse.
Okay.
It's not fully fixed because but like if you do the thing where you're like dragging your cursor around, it'll still do the weird thing. But the thing with Windows where it was like flickering the cursor, which was causing it to transition to like mouse type thing, whatever, is fixed.
So I want both. I see audio stream and shader. Which those sound like we need both of those probably.
Probably, yeah. Let me get a list. Oh, actually, I wrote some things down last night. I might pull up my Obsidian on my phone.
Yeah, of course for the teleporting, we'll put a delay on it so that way you can't like spam it back and forth and have a million trains in the level at once.
Yeah. Just looked over at your screen. Did you do the same code that I did?
What?
The did you add the code? Yeah, you definitely did because it says and current time is greater than 0.5.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I also added that, which is funny because I don't think we talked about that at all.
Wait, what did you add?
Because there was already a can collect method. So the only thing that's different is I made it only do that on the key, but you made it do that, it looks like, on the money as well, I think. Yeah. So probably just accept my changes and then move current time greater than 0.5 into the can collect method.
Okay. So accept in upstream current.
Yeah,
current. Yeah.
Yep.
Sure. I think
and then
I
the
know what
can
you're
collect
doing here
method
now.
make that return current time greater than 0.5.
Oh, here?
Yep.
Oh, that way we can override it, yeah.
Yeah.
So by default, it'll do this.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can override it if we want. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. Cool.
Wow.
Look, I figured out what was going on. It's the first.
Let me open up my Obsidian as well.
Yep.
I also wanted to clean up a couple things in the shop because the shop's fucking a little evil, kind of, only slightly. What is that fucking print statement that's happening up there? Did I accidentally commit up a print statement? I think that's in biddy camera. I'm gonna fucking cry if it is. It is. Oh yeah, there's also the there's the camera limit thing that you can take a look at now.
Oh yeah, I want to try that too. Probably gonna be easier to see what that's doing when you're actually playing the game. Can you open the chests yet?
Yes.
In the starting room?
Yes.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Crazy. Why is it printing things out?
Yeah,
There's no skin select UI.
brother, I need you dead. Where's my bench? Why is there no bench here? That's weird. I thought there'd be a bench here. Bizarre. Also, why does that not work? What the fuck?
I don't know if it's possible to make this keep looping. Oh, I lied.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of fire, no?
It's gonna fire. It just keeps going up.
Yeah. It's
Every time
y'all
I
are
come here,
playing
y'all are
with
just
the ball.
playing with the ball. Yeah, we need a better sound though, because it sounds awful. Also, it needs to reset after a period of time rather than just constantly going up, because that's going to hurt my ears.
Well, it
Anyways.
resets if you don't keep hitting it.
Very slowly.
No, I thought it went faster. Weird.
It's like really slow.
Lol.
Whoa, look, you can open them. I don't know why that felt like that lagged the game a bunch, or maybe it's just running poorly. Oh,
It might be.
well, that feels so weird.
Yeah.
Something about it feels... Is it... It feels like it's like it pushes up against the wall and then pushes back out, like when I go right.
Yeah, it's because the offset from the velocity is still being applied.
Yeah, maybe we... Yeah, it would be nice if there's a way to kill that if it's like up against the wall, because that feels kind of weird.
Yeah, can. Probably, potentially. Oh, wait, no, I know what happened. I know what I did. I remember. Yeah. It was this, I think, right?
Oh wow, that actually feels so nice. Like being able to like look down.
Yeah. Okay, do me a favor. Can you go ahead and, well, yeah, finish the room.
It's actually sick. So I need to change the render mode. I keep forgetting to do that.
Yeah. All right. Go into biddycamera.gd.
I love how the camera's just called biddy camera.
Yeah. Line 238.
238.
Scrolling down instead of hitting Control G is kind of crazy, but whatever. Oh, it might actually be different on yours because I removed a couple of lines. Scroll a little bit further down. Scroll further down. It's where if bounds is at.
If bounds, yeah.
Yeah. So that 0.1 at the end of line 255, it looks like on your screen. Change that to just a 1.
1. Okay.
Then give that a shot.
Yeah, that works. No, that feels like too jarring.
Yeah. So you can just change that amount if you want.
Okay. Try like 0.8, something like.
Yeah.
Close to 1, but not quite 1.
Hello, Benny Vivi. Oh my god, that is a cursed fucking emote setup I just looked over and saw. Look at
That's beautiful.
That's
quite nice.
It's fucking crazy. Yeah, no, 1.0 it definitely feels too jarring, which is why I added the smoothing. But I'll let you just kind of figure out where you think it should be. What was I gonna do? Oh my lord.
Oop, I accidentally opened Steam. I guess I'm opening Counter-Strike.
What?
Oopsies.
You already had Steam open because you have stream elements. Or stream avatars, sorry.
Yeah, sure. 0.3 feels kind of nice. Oh, look, he's got a nice little box.
Oh shit!
How
Yeah, I
wonderful.
forgot to. Forgot to remove
Biddy,
that.
try to remember to remove debug things.
Hey dog,
Challenge.
I'm just curious.
Physically
So
impossible.
if I go into a level and then like I get cards in my hand and then there's an enemy below the cards with, oh, this room is fucked up. Why is this room fucked up? I fucked something up whenever I removed some code, I think. Oh.
But why is the text so big on here now?
Because I fixed it.
Let's go. Also, check this out. It's got bubble shader and things actually display in front of it properly. But it doesn't display in front of the background. So essentially I made it, I had to do a lot of moving nodes around, but it is now no longer top level, like the sprites. I don't know why I made them top level. They didn't actually need to be top level for it to work.
Mm-hmm.
They literally just had to be not a child of the main crystal thing itself. But apparently my brain just wasn't working. So, many such cases, you know?
Yeah. Oh, apparently there's still a print method enabled. Lol.
Oh, there's also a crit sound now.
Hmm.
It's like okay.
You haven't pushed that up on mine, I don't think.
I have not. It's like I want to make it a little more interesting. I also tried changing the default like hit sound, but it sucks.
What is this error? Oh, this thing.
Oh, I see we got room drops now.
Oh my god, there was something I wanted to do. Fuck, what was it? Minimap. There we go. The minimap was not working the way I am hoping.
Wait, did we finally? I forget. Did we actually remember to nerf the plasma ball?
No.
I feel like it's no. Okay, I feel like it's still worse than it was. Oh, yeah, I've run into this one a couple times. I don't know.
Wait, what did you do?
What this one is?
What'd you do?
I just hit the new run button. That's all I did.
Yeah, all good. Let me look. So this
it's
is
something with the movement.
Yeah, and active.
It's default movement dot active, and it's saying invalid access property key active on previously.
Can you click on self? Self
here
down in members, yeah. And then can you find the path variable? Okay, root level, yeah. So this, no, don't click on that. Just hover over it. What is it? It's
player, room component player.
Okay, yeah. So what did you respawn?
Yep, I literally just hit the new run button and it restarted. I can try to recreate it if you want.
No, don't worry. I'm just trying to.
Because I've run into this multiple times, but it doesn't seem to be consistent that it does it. But I'm not sure.
Kill the player really quickly. Player health low -1. Oh. On hit attack. If not attack. Sorry, a second. There was a crash I didn't expect. I mean, I guess that's like most of them. Sorry, I see your message, Rolo. I'll read it in just a second. I have to... My mind has to... I'm single-threaded mode right now.
Bro is single-threaded.
So you just died and then respawned?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So if I do player health low, and then just like spawn this dickhead in and have him schmack me a little bit. Okay, that didn't crash. So so this is in player.gd under the play animations function. If not health component alive, return abs velocity default movement. Default movement is a movement driver. Oh, I know what's happening, I think. Kind of. think this should fix it. Mayhaps. I guess I'll find out. But yeah, okay. You're good to close that now. I'll just see if I can recreate it a couple times. Oh shit. Oh, there it is. I actually just recreated it, apparently. What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's fun. Okay.
Very cool.
So if I take a look at... Did you close the game? You did. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay, there we go. I found it. Yeah. So I think what's actually happening is if I do a console.print default default movement and then previous default movement dot previous driver. Here's my theory. Because whenever the player spawns, it has a different movement driver, as it's like either while he's falling down, I think he has a different movement driver, or when he's dead, he has a different movement driver. So it might be reading one of those two. I'm leaning towards the first one because I don't think it's the same player that exists whenever we respawn him, but it's reading the driver whenever he's falling down from here, and then whenever he lands, it changes back to the old movement driver. And it's still referencing, because I want to have a reference to the original movement driver. So that we don't play animations whenever he shouldn't be, like whenever you're in the box, it doesn't play his like run animation.
Yeah.
So I think that's what's happening. So if I kill the player, so new run. Yeah, so you can see my default is this new movement driver that's been attached, and the previous is actually the movement driver that I care about. So if I move now, it won't do anything until I honk, and then it does that. So what I can do is I can go through and grab the most, like the oldest movement driver, basically. Which should be fine. Dude, this Nightbot guy is always typing in your chat, by the way. Bro's like my biggest fan.
Bro is my biggest fan. Bro's such a big fan that he joined on both Twitch and YouTube.
That's crazy.
I know,
okay, yeah,
right?
that works. There we go. And there's no issue whenever I just like load into the level with just one movement driver. Yeah. Okay, cool. Sick. Okay, let me catch up with what Rolo was saying because I wanted to read those messages now. Hello. Hi. Yesterday you started prototyping, experimenting with to recreate old Roblox renders and lighting. You talked about that last stream, I'm pretty sure. You don't even need shaders, you just use standard materials. Yes, sir. I also learned about how you can make custom classes like util classes in Godot, and it's wonderful. It absolutely is. We have
I'm gonna beat up Nightbot for not having a cat-related name. True. I should change it to Catbot.
Yeah, we have Nightbot.
Yeah.
We have this class, which is just class name util, and then any of the methods that we want to call from elsewhere are static functions. So we can just do like util.getLerpSpeed or util.getComponent or whatever. I do still really want to split that class up whenever I get the chance. Not like that's like urgent though. It's just like a massive fucking script, so like it's how many lines? Like, probably like 600, 500.
Why did it translate
Saturday night?
No, it says Sunday night. Oh, stupid.
Oh, okay.
Bro can't even read.
Well, it's very hard to read. I just saw S and day because your screen is like evil and fucked
Biddy,
up.
do you think the UI setup is easy enough that I could make a skin selection UI?
I mean, probably. I mean, I guess we'll find out. You might as well learn now, right? Unless you have something else you want to work on.
I mean, there's a lot of things that we need to work on, but that's just one of them.
Yeah.
Any other changes you made that I should look at?
The room drops, I'm assuming you already did. Oh, yeah, actually. Shift R LT blue room. All right. Walk over to the chest.
Mm-hmm.
If you have no key.
You.
I mean you.
It looks ugly.
What do you mean it looks ugly?
Why does it have a gray box around it?
So that it stands out from the background, so it's not like whatever background you're. Whatever, dude. You can change it. You can make your own shit for it. I don't really care. But if you go ahead and give yourself a key, which you can just spawn in by spawning key drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do keys drop from rooms now?
Yeah, sometimes. Now you can open it. We'll spin the key. Whoa, legendary! Crazy.
I mean, it's a better name besides Tome of Efficiency, but you know, whatever. It's okay.
Yeah. You can actually. Oh no, I guess I got rid of that. I had a debug that would just like. Oh no, maybe it's still in the game. Let me see. Wrong room. LT room 2. No, it's not still in the game. I had a debug that would spawn the loot for the room, but it doesn't. Oh, I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck is up with this damn mini map. And I don't know why it's so
Wait, what happened?
And evil. The mini map, I fixed it once, where whenever it was pulled up, it wouldn't let you open the pause menu. Like pressing escape would make you go to not, like it would just close the mini map. But now it just doesn't do that, and I don't know what changed. Because I thought that it would be fine. Because in here we have menus. If you press pause pressed and not disable inventory. Yeah. Console.current disable inventory.
Well, it didn't fix the mouse thing.
Yeah. Oh, it didn't? At all?
Yeah, actually, it might have been because I had my mouse on this one.
Well, if you move your mouse around, it'll still be fucked up. But it was the thing with Windows, how Windows like flickers your cursor sometimes while you're using like a controller or whatever. Yeah. That should be better. But yeah, I'll get around to fixing that.
Yeah, this seems it's slightly better.
Yeah, it's not a huge breaking thing.
No. Yeah, no, it's fine.
The main thing that was annoying is when you were just sitting there on Windows, it would just send like a mouse moved input every frame you were doing things that weren't mouse, and it was like, what the fuck is wrong? Because that fixed this here.
Because before, if I would like go really fast, remember it would like
it would flicker your
cursor. But now it doesn't. Yeah.
But now it
No, but it would also not select the cards properly.
Yeah.
But now this works fine to do this. So.
Yeah, so I'm just checking if the mouse event has a velocity property on it, which is very cool that I didn't know about. I knew it had a relative, I just didn't know it had a velocity. But I'm just checking to see if that velocity is populated, and if it's not, then we're not doing anything.
I'm gonna add a thing on here, which is make stat numbers
more relevant.
Practical numbers, yeah. So like how it's like 0.1, which should be like 10%.
Do we have, is pause one of our actions, or is this like a, it is. So why the fuck are you running so late? That's weird. That's so weird. This is running at such a weird time.
Also, where is the scene for this? I want to add a background to this so it's not just like...
Background to what?
To the pause menu. Because right now there's no background.
That is the card_binder.tscn file.
Okay. Okay. I could so I could just add like a texture rect. Or I guess just a color rect would probably work. Color rect.
There we go. That works. Cool.
Make it slightly transparent. Does this update? Oh, that does interesting things.
What did it do? Oh, where did you attach it to?
The binder.
Oh. What? I thought that the binder... Okay, never mind. I fucked up something. Lol. You can just add it
Well,
as
yeah,
a...
because this is...
Yeah, you can just make it a canvas layer and, as a child of the binder,
canvas layer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Also, make sure to turn off mouse blocking and focus selecting on the color rect.
Oh, what do I do? Pass? Ignore?
Yep.
Ignore. Is that all I have to do?
Yep, and then focus, just make sure that's none, which it looks like it is.
Yeah. Oh, very cool.
Oh, really? That doesn't...
Yeah.
Huh? Restart game. Or I guess actually you could have used the handy dandy reload feature if I remembered that, but...
It's not there at all.
Go back into your scene tree, because I think I saw something fucked up with it. I think it's off the viewport. Yeah, just set the anchors to full rect.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and then now you should be able to save and see it in game. And it doesn't hide. Cool. Why the fuck doesn't it hide? What?
Maybe we're only showing and hiding the binder container.
Shouldn't be.
Yeah, it's definitely not showing and hiding.
Start menu looks kind of sick with a nice, like, just dark rectangle on it, though.
That's it.
Like, all very moody and shit. I don't know. I kind of like it with the way that the text is, like, super glowy. And the, background.
Maybe we can maybe darken it a little bit. I also do want to change the main menu at some point. I think this is fine for right now, but...
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guess hiding this doesn't hide the... Weird. I thought that would hide the everything. I wonder if, making this top level would do that. Yeah. Yeah, doing top level and then setting the Z index back one seems like it would be the move.
I hate top level so much.
It's such a badly named thing, but like, it's useful, which is the most unfortunate part. I wish I could just talk shit about it, but like, it does what you need it to when it's a relevant thing. It's just one physics frame enough to do this. Nice. Cool. Okay.
It's not there at all.
It's not there at all? What? Go back to your scene tree? Hmm?
Oh, that would probably be why it's like a mile away.
Where the fuck is it? You can just use the anchors.
I don't know. I don't know where it went. I'm not going to lie.
It should say where
It's
you are
like-
in the coordinates on the top.
It's like 10 billion.
Ah, cool.
How do I reset it back?
F. F. Okay. Or yeah, just find the button and click it instead of pressing the thing on your keyboard.
Yeah, well, I wanted to
over.
do that, yeah.
It's fine, it's chill.
Oh, there we go, that works.
Yeah.
Probably want to like fade that in too.
Yeah.
But yeah, that looks so much better with the darken on the background.
What else is there? What's up?
I don't know if I like that you can like interact with these like before they show up. Like it plays the sounds. If I'm like doing this around everywhere.
Yeah, I can change that, probably. We'll find out if I can.
But it looks sick. Oh, and I'll go ahead and adjust the textures on the pages so they don't look funky. Although, I mean, like, yeah, it's gonna bother me probably.
Game world is finish opening. I see.
That works.
Is it set to... Am I stupid? Oh my god, I have it set to repeat. I'm sorry, I didn't even realize it. Shit was just like naturally the only song in my brain.
Were you playing the same song over and over again?
Yeah. It's only been like 40
notice.
minutes. No, well, because it's a Dwarf Fortress song that's like 6 minutes long, and it like goes quiet for a decent while.
Might be like
it's just like it blends into the background, dude.
Extremely evil.
It's crazy that I just want to point this out to everybody for anyone who's listening, and you too, JW. You say you are extremely evil anytime someone does something mildly autistic, which means that you are effectively saying that autistic people are inherently evil. Which is like
I'm not saying that. No.
Kind of crazy. Just saying. Like, it's kind of insane.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Well.
Where are the pages?
Good question.
Find your pages.
It's under UI Binder?
Book menu. Oh,
UI
there's a lot of these. Okay, which one of these is the right one?
That's a good question. The binder went through many iterations in development.
Yeah, I can
So what are you trying to change right now?
The pages.
Okay, can you be just the slightest bit more specific?
The page texture.
Okay, I get that. What page texture are you trying to change?
Like the pages that turn.
The pages that are... Okay, so specifically the ones that are turning?
Yeah,
so I believe there should be one called...
There's book page left, book page right, binder page, page...
Yep.
Background.
Now, don't worry. Don't worry. You don't have to tell me.
Right.
I am in fact aware of how many there are.
Okay.
You want to affect probably book page right. That's my guess.
Book page right. Is that the only one?
Maybe. If not, on the bright side, whenever you make a change to one of them, they're all using the same texture, so you can just copy and paste.
Okay.
Yeah, no, there were many iterations that this change went through, and I don't know, there's scars of the fallen in the UI files or whatever.
Background right. Let's open you with a sprite. Oh wow, these are very cursed. Let's... Well, first things first, I need my Apollo palette.
Wait,
let's just draw a bunch of lines on here. Binder page background right.
Book page right, I think.
Book page right. Okay.
We'll find out. You can just like give it a try. We'll find out. It may be split across a couple different files, to be honest with you.
Cat lawn meower sounds.
Lawn meower.
Crazy.
Yawn meower.
No, that's not it.
Yep. So, book page right is the file you're looking for.
Book page right.
You can just drag it into Sprite. You can just drag it into Sprite. You know, you can just drag it into Sprite.
Oh, this one looks even more cursed.
How? How is that one more cursed than the other one? What are you talking about?
It's got like these things look weird.
Yeah, that's where like the holes for the binder rings are cut out.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Otherwise, it looks really weird.
Okay, let's see if this works.
I don't remember if that affects both sides of the empty pages or not. If not, then there may be a file called book page left as well.
Yeah, there is a file called book page left as well.
Is there?
Oh, wait a second. I just realized, are these like... They're like scaled.
They have to be, yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But, it's UI.
Yeah, that's okay. That means I can just...
You can just go canvas mode and then divide it by 3 or divide it by 4.
Here?
That's just something that I guess got left whenever I extracted it from the original.
Okay. So I think these are. Let me just open the other one just in case.
It should be 3 times the size, but yeah, it's
I just want to make sure that it's like mirrored.
Mm-hmm.
So that way I can just do one and then copy it. Yeah, it's definitely mirrored. Okay, so I can also open.
Wait, did you say that? Hold on.
Mm.
I might be like an idiot. Give me a second.
Are you an idiot?
There's a very good chance of that, yeah. I might have to tell you some terrible news.
What's the terrible news? What? Huh?
Book page left is not, in fact, the other side.
What is the other side? What?
So because this has to be the 3D shader, that means that the background texture actually has to take up the entire space. So the back texture is binder_page, which is the full one.
Oh, okay.
So it's book page right.
Okay. It's still the same. So I should be able to do this one, copy it into the other one where it's the full width. Okay.
Yes. It's just that it's not going to be binder page left, unfortunately.
Okay. So what we will do is we'll make a new layer on here. New layer. Let's go and hide everything else.
Do I not have a signal in here that I'm awaiting for? No.
Then I will. That's not what I want. I want sprite size.
Yeah.
So we'll do this. We will copy it. Make sure everything looks right here. Yeah, it looks right. We'll copy and then we'll undo that. So that way this is the same size and unchanged, and then we'll paste. Oh. Why are you so big still?
May have maybe just like
I should be able to still.
It's fair, yeah.
Maybe we'll just do this. Okay, yeah, that's right. I don't know what happened there, but that's okay. This works as well. Okay. Hello? Why can't I deselect this? There we go. Okay, so you are working.
Sorry.
Let me. Which one is this? I'm going to reduce the opacity of this, so that way I can see what's going on in the front. Okay, so I see what you did here. You like cut out around the this here. Okay.
Yeah.
Which I think should be fine.
I fucking hope so. If it's not, that's a problem.
No, I just have to like make it look a little bit nicer, you know? Can I do this?
Why are these still active? You should not be active, brother. Why are you make no noise? This makes no noise, but these do. Whatever. I don't care.
Why is the selection not working? Oh, because it's on the wrong selection mode. Very cool. Okay, so the most important thing is this section on the bottom here. Because this is like supposed to be like a stack of pages, but it's only one. You know? Somebody was like, yeah, I'm just going to use this texture even though it makes 0 sense.
Yep, correct.
Programmer does not use logic. Explain into the systems work. This is true, by the way. Dante's 9 does not work. I'm not lying.
This is true. Wait a minute. Like booleans?
Wait.
Like booleans?
Like from Dante's 9?
What?
Like from Dante's 9? Is that a Dante 9 reference?
I don't know what. Chat, help.
It's a Dante's 9 reference.
Chat, I don't get it. I don't get what he's saying. This makes no sense.
It's a Dante's 9 reference.
How?
It is.
Oh, okay. Aw, shit.
He doesn't get it, guys.
Shit. Whoa. Boolean is not a Dante's 9 reference. It might be.
So we're just lying now? Alright. Okay, that may work. There is a perchance that this might work.
Wait, I'm going insane or something, I think.
Yes, I think. I don't. That looks like that works, probably.
Why is this still set to... I don't understand. I changed this. How is this still set to true? In what world?
I love programs that let you multiply values, like when you're inputting them, or like do math on values.
No, genuinely. It's one of the most useful things ever, and when a program doesn't have it, it pisses me off. I'm just like, dude.
True.
In what fucking world? In what world?
Okay. So which one is the other page that we use? Is it book page, background, something left? Is it left or right?
It is binder_page.png.
Oh, it's just binder page. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I hate this guy.
This is why Ace Bright's the GOAT. Dude, you wanna know what program is the fucking GOAT for stuff like that? Blender. Blender's actually crazy with the shit you can do inside.
Oh, is this one pixel perfect?
I hope not. It might be, but I hope not.
It is.
It is. I don't fucking know how. Oh, because it's in the shader.
Wait.
It's in the shader, so I don't have to. I didn't have to export it as 3x.
So we kill this side.
Wait, no, JW.
Mm-hmm.
What you can do, there's a way easier way of doing this. Just undo, clear everything from the thing. Control A, press delete.
I don't want to do that.
It'll just get rid of the fucking line that's down the middle.
I don't want to get rid of that.
Okay, so do me a favor then. Paste the thing. Just hit paste. Control D. Shift H. Is that not? Yeah, there.
not the right position.
Well, I think the line moved as well, didn't it? Whenever you did thing.
Let's see.
Okay.
Also, hello, Adiant.
If you
Welcome
want
to
to
the
see
better
if it
chat.
looks right, you can do there's the right page viewport scene. You can go in there and fuck around with the rotation. What?
I love that you made that. It's so funny.
What, this?
Yes.
Well, I had to. This is literally like it's being spawned in the game when it's being used.
Oh, nice. Nope, that's not all the pages. There's still the page on this side too that's different.
Hmm?
See, this is different. This side is different from this side.
Oh, I see. Yeah. What is that? That's the left page viewport, which is using. That's a good question. Wait, maybe this is where that texture is being used. Yes, this is where book_page_left is being used.
Oh no.
What are you talking about, dude?
I hate this guy.
Also, it's
So
an
what's the other one I
SM64
need to
reference,
change?
Rolo. No, the fuck it isn't. SM64 is written in C, and C doesn't have booleans. C doesn't have boolean values. It only has numbers, and anything that's not 0 is treated as false, or is treated as true. Yeah, you moved it over. You moved it too far to the right.
No, I didn't.
You can see how it's like clipping on the thing. So just undo it and see if where I told you to put it works.
I literally did move it, by the way.
Okay.
This is the original.
Okay. And then go all the way back to the thing that you just had.
What?
Like Control-Shift-Z all the way back to the...
That's what I did. This is all I decided. This is as far back as I can go.
This is the original. So Control-Shift-Z
Yes,
to go forward again.
Ew, why would you not?
Because I'm curious, because I want to see where
it's Control Y, but it doesn't do anything.
Go to edit.
So I don't know what you just did.
Go to edit. Where's redo?
It's Control Y.
Weird. Control-Shift-Z is the better option, but okay.
That's not true.
Control Y? You think Control buttons. Y is the better redo option?
Yes, it is.
I'm sorry, JW. You're a moron for that one. Like, I don't care what else you've done in your life. You are a moron for that.
Not true. It's not true, actually.
Where the fuck is my A sprite? Is it on my desktop? It is.
Anyways, let's see if this fixes it.
Control-Shift-Z is every program ever, aside from...
No, I hate Control-Shift-Z.
So, like, if I go in here and I draw some shit, and then I undo, Control-Shift, or Control-Z, Control-Shift-Z, Z, Shift-Z, shit. Like, it just works. Control-Y is left in because that's what Windows does. Control-Y is so fucking disgusting. Control-Shift-Z works because you're like, okay, undo is right where my, like, your fingers are already there. So you might as well just put a finger down on Shift to be able to redo. Actually, JW.
Yeah,
what fingers do you use to press Control-Z?
I don't know. Depends on what I feel like doing. Usually, I think ring on Control and pointer on C.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What? What?
And then pinky on Control, and then pointer on Y for Control Y.
Oh my god. Hold on, let me get a fucking, like, wordy keyboard layout.
Yeah, nothing else feels good.
Nothing else feels good. Sorry,
I just you gotta
like,
have that, like, you need this, like, the strength.
You don't.
So that, like,
this is why your hand fucking hurts. This is why you have to go to PT. Strength. So, like, so you're telling me. Sorry, I'm still trying to, like. So your pinky, whenever you're doing Control-Z, is just like somewhere off to the side.
Yeah.
And then you've got your ring finger on Control.
Nice hand, by the way.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Your middle finger's fucking somewhere else. I don't know.
It's like on shift.
Your pointer finger is like up on Z, and then your fat ass thumb, and you got like weird hands. So like, you're really doing 2 and 4. Or actually, I don't remember. Is left hand reverse ordered? I don't remember. So the correct option, by the way, the correct way, pinky on control, and middle finger on Z. So that whenever you have to redo, you have your ring finger that you can just like tap shift. Holding control with pinky, middle finger to undo, and then ring finger now on shift, middle finger to redo. That's just like the correct option. Ring finger on control is something I don't think I've ever done in my life a single time. You do control with thumb? You do control with thumb? Actually, I've done that before. I won't lie to you. But that was out of desperation. I think it was while I was playing like Apex or some shit, and I needed to like crouch while I was like strafing. Although I think the worst way that I've ever had my fingers is my pointer finger, or no, my ring finger, which I'll just put up just for notation's sake. We'll say this is the hand. It looks so fucked up. Is flood fill what's flood fill in Blender? Oh, not Blender, this is Aseprite. Do I have gaps somewhere? Apparently I have gaps somewhere. Whatever. We'll say that this is like 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Feel free to try this one at home. So ring finger on W, middle finger on S, pointer finger on D, and pinky finger on A. That one's weird. You should try that out, JW.
Wait, what?
So start with pinky on A, ring finger on W, middle finger on S, and pointer finger on D.
Ew.
I don't do that often, but sometimes you just gotta hit like a crazy one.
That's like kind of nasty.
Sometimes you gotta hit a crazy one. I've also hit control with my palm before out of desperation because I needed to, and the rest of my hand was being used.
You're like really gross.
No,
like,
but it's
you
like
you cannot be complaining about.
Brother, I can.
When you're doing this.
I can. You use Control Z and Control Y.
Yeah, that's like normal.
That's not. Control Y doesn't make any fucking sense. Control Z and Control Shift Z are the correct option. I actually kind of prefer Photoshop's way of doing it, where it's Control Z is undo, and then it becomes redo. And so Control Z can only go back and forward, like it alternates between them. Control Alt Z goes back completely, and Control Shift Z goes forward completely. And I actually kind of like that, because I got used to it. Also, hello, little DC. How's it going? You have A with ring, D with pointer. Yeah, that's usually what I do. Yeah, I'm usually rocking the ring, pointer, or middle finger, pointer, and then my pinky swaps between shift and control. Same thing with this. And then obviously thumb is on space. You'll never get weird keyboard usage. I think the only thing that's weird about my keyboard usage is whenever I play League of Legends, because I'm rocking 5, 4, 3, and then my pointer finger is on C at all times. Because this is my auto attack button.
Doing. So I think this is the texture that I want. So I just need to figure out what files I'm changing.
Yeah.
Maybe we killed this one.
You can just kill. I don't know. Never mind. Nothing. I was gonna say something, but like, you got it. I think.
Because it might have actually looked better how you had it. Maybe.
Oh, what? What? That's crazy. JW's saying Biddy might be right once.
No.
Okay. He's not gonna say that, but
Yeah,
he's
I
not
would
thinking
say
it either,
that.
but he's like, the way that Biddy happened into it, the way that he fell into the fucking thing.
Well, it was literally my art, to be honest.
Yeah, that's great, but I went through and I like just I cut it out. Yeah, that's right, bitch.
Yeah, that's what I sound like. You're
Mhm.
right. You got me there.
I did. Kind of cooked you a little bit. Oh, I didn't show you that. Can you look at my screen real quick?
Okay.
One place that unintentionally had a really cool thing with the camera limit is here, because it has a navigation region. So the borders here work. And also down here, I believe there's yeah. So there's the actual limit. Is where the camera would stop.
Honestly, I did kind of want it to like you could like look over the edge on the edges, but you know it's okay.
I mean,
because like there's like the tracks down there, but nah, that's fine.
Yeah, I
That
mean
works.
either or.
I think that's fine, and that way we don't have to change anything. Okay, what files am I changing?
You were changing binder page right, book page right, book page left, and binder underscore page, I think. Book page right and book page left are both 3 times scale.
Yeah, the scaling's easy to figure out.
Yeah,
Like, I can just
but you
look
can
at
also
the
just use the
original.
export options. That's what I was doing whenever I like made it. So the actual file I
What?
didn't like size up. Do you not know about? So if you go file export.
Well, I don't need to export.
I know you
I
don't.
can just.
Yeah, I know you don't.
I
But
mean,
like,
yeah, I know you can size it when you export. Yeah.
yeah, that's what I was doing.
Yeah.
That way I didn't have to keep swapping between small size and big
Okay.
size. Holy shit, melee break the targets. Fire.
What break can they target?
Me. Also, I did the
Okay.
thing that you asked about. So you can't focus, you can't interact with the items until the menu's open.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
What about for turning pages? Is it?
Huh?
What about for turning pages?
You can, yeah.
Okay, that's fine, I guess.
Yeah, it's much harder to stop that. So
People will
just like,
probably find some way to break it with that, but that's okay.
I don't think they can, because it's not like a.
It said book page
well.
left as well.
Yes, book page left, book page right, and binder page should be the only 3 that are used right now. Hopefully, I'm praying, but who knows? Alright, let me look at these really quickly.
Let's
Oh, I wanted to disable the selection for cards in the selection menu until it opens. So let's do that.
yeah.
Is there a little debug thing that I added? I don't remember. Can you get song requests today? Sure, man. You want to put me on RuneScape Heat? Then yeah, just like, what's the name of the song, and I'll go grab it off of KH Insider. I'm sure I've probably heard it. Let me see what songs I have from the RuneScape soundtrack. Oh, they're right here. I have Flute Salad and Newbie Melody. I should put Sea Shanty 2 in this bitch. Pictures of Avariamore. Can you song request
Yeah.
afterward? If it's a Yonkagore song, the answer is no.
That's crazy.
Holy shit! JW, do you know how many songs are on the RuneScape soundtrack?
No.
Any guesses?
No.
Okay. So if you want to take a look at my screen really quickly, I'm gonna just like.
Probably a lot.
So here's the RuneScape soundtrack.
Mm-hmm. Oh. 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 Okay.
Yeah. Sad fact, OG music creator got caught diddling kids, so it's sorta tainted. We pretend that guy doesn't exist. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Usually they wait for like reboots of MMOs until they start diddling kids. Talking about CP Rewritten. Which, like, they called it CP Rewritten instead of like Club Penguin rewritten, so it's Oda level foreshadowing or whatever. What's the name of this?
That's
I'm sorry,
crazy.
it's Variamore. It's not on here, really.
I realize the entire render of the book app is flipping. Yeah, that's what I'm fixing right now.
Sorry. Yeah.
Biddy, there's still one that's being used in here that I can see.
Where?
See this one.
This one? What are you talking about?
This one. As it turns, the one on the right.
The one on the right.
Yes, this page on the right as it turns
Mm-hmm.
is.
Can you go to your
It needs a new texture.
Can you? Wait, what? Go to your Sprite, or where you set book page right.
This is book page left.
Yep.
This is book page right. This is binder page. They all have this. See how they all have the cutout on the bottom?
Yeah, I see.
But then if I do this, you can see that this one does not have the cutout on the bottom.
Click into your Godot really quickly. Because I thought that and then open up right page viewport.tskin. What the fuck? What else is back there? Oh, I know what it is. Shit, it's the back of left page viewport, I think. Is that right? Which should be, oh.
Which one is this?
Can you actually do me a favor? They're gonna have the same back, right? Like the same back texture. Go to the material for left page viewport. And go down to the back texture and just go ahead and replace that with binder page. Yep, and then set the back scale to -1 on the X. Yep, okay, that should be fine, I hope. And then you may have to reload the game. Yeah, you'll have to reload the game.
Dang.
Yeah, it's the page that's being turned away. It's the reverse side of the thing. Let me save this under use extreme OSRS. I accidentally moused over a file, so now it's a different file name. So let me redo that. You can also put the game in slow motion if you want to see it.
That's what I was doing earlier, yeah. Do those look fine?
Okay, here we go. Your song request is cats with striped socks.
Oh, wait.
Well, or
That's
whatever.
fine.
What's up?
That looks fine.
Alright.
Yeah. Now I do want to try adjusting some of the textures.
What is that music thing? This is a program on Linux that is meant to look like Foobar 2000, which is a music program that I use on Windows. This one's called Fuyin.
What about Foobar 3000?
Nope. But the reason I have this is because it's very extendable with like extensions and shit. I don't know why the fuck I forgot that word after I said extendable. Gives you LimeWire vibes a little bit, yeah. Also, what's wrong with Yonkagore? Nothing. It's that I know that that's probably who ADM was sending, and I think that's because he wants to send furry music. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I think that's why
He thinks there's something wrong with that, by the way.
That's not true. 2 of my favorite artists happen to be furries. Also, any surprising bugs that people have found in your stuff that makes you wonder how?
Not yet. Maybe there was. We just
true.
forgot.
Is that? Hold on.
There definitely is somewhere.
There definitely is. What happened that was weird? You know what? We have playtest notes. Let me go look in our playtest notes, because I'm sure that we have Steam playtest notes. Oh yeah, that was a fun one. Not that this was a bug, but the yarn ball, whenever it's coming back, lags more than when it's going out, but that one's still in the game. Let's see. To do general, is this bugs? There's no bugs in here, right? Little bugs? No. I thought that I had playtesting notes in... Where did we write down our notes for bugs and stuff? Oh, I guess it probably would have been in the notebook that we had at GodoCon.
Probably.
I'm actually not sure if we've had major bugs yet. Have we?
We definitely have. I just can't remember like specifically which ones.
Oh, there was a really weird one that was you would just stop regenerating mana. I know why that happened.
Oh yeah, that one was funny.
But like just sometimes whenever you were playing through the game, actually I don't 100% know why that one happened still. But I wrote a system that it no longer happens in. So I know I know what part of the spaghetti was causing that. I know which noodles in the spaghetti were causing the issue, but I don't know why they were causing the issue.
Yeah.
But you
Mine
would...
is like a little sketchy, but it looks fine. The main thing was the thing at the bottom here. There's some weirdness with the holes.
Mhm.
Ideally we could fix that with like some layering stuff.
Yeah.
But I don't know exactly how. Like I'm trying to think.
You're part of the Linux users, Arch user, by the way. Nobara user, by the way. Big fan.
Yeah, like I think if we had something that when it rotates, it goes behind the... Yeah, like part of it that always stays behind the binder hole, then part of it sits in front. But...
No, that'd be great if you can figure that one out.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying we're not doing it right now.
Yeah. Also, yeah, Godot on Linux is really nice. I've had honestly such a nice experience with Linux. And to like, I'm gonna do the thing. I'm gonna tap the sign really quickly to show how cool Linux is. I'm gonna put JW on screen just in case this somehow doxes me. I don't think it should, but
cool.
JW's on screen.
Here I can show off the train while
oh yeah, Authority's there. Yeah.
Hold up. Yeah. Or you could just join my stream, the better stream.
You could do that.
True.
I don't know why you would, but you could.
Yeah. Well, then you can hear the train sounds. The trains have beautiful sounds now.
That's true, because he never pushed up the sounds on my side.
This is true. I would never push changes.
I wonder where does that go? I wonder. Do people hear that?
Ignore the square on the guy.
Do.
To be honest, I can't remember who is who because he folks always do his
I'm Billidic.
stream.
I'm the one on the right.
I am
on the
Tempera Cats. This is true.
Yeah.
I am the one that
has a lot of weird hands.
Also doesn't
on
upload YouTube videos.
You're the one that doesn't upload YouTube videos. Sorry, buddy. That doesn't narrow it down at all.
I said also. Here's the train.
Okay. I didn't hear the also part. Oh, you like changed the animations
and everything.
Who loves
me more?
Probably JW.
Yeah, probably me.
Yeah,
it's like I actually know who you are.
I have commitment issues, so sorry.
That's true.
That is actually kind of true. That is actually very true.
Yeah, that's why Dante's 9 isn't out yet.
That's true. Really quickly, I want to show this off to Little DC. One thing that is not terrible on Linux as well is FL Studio, which is great. I love that I have this working and I can like pull in my synths and like use this and like actually do things, which I don't think you guys can really hear this. I don't think so, actually. I'm looking at the...
Thank you, Thornity, for the support. I appreciate it. Oh, I'm going to change the
It works on Linux. Tell you how?
Called?
Good luck. I can actually tell you how. Let me open up bottles really quickly. So I guess the first thing is probably use a wine wrapper. It is genuinely a little bit of a bitch to set up, but the main reason it's a bitch to set up for me is because of my audio interface. I had to get that to work through Wine Asio, and that was a bitch to set up because it just wasn't working for a long time. I actually had to... I think I had to recompile the DLL myself, which was annoying, but thankfully the build system on Linux is really easy to use. So the main thing that I had to do was I went into... I installed it through the installer. So I hide programs really quickly. I'm going to hide a couple of programs, not because there's anything like nefarious on there, but I'll just say Adobe and leave it at that. So here's my bottles.
They're gonna get you.
That I have set up. So I used run executable and just used the FL Studio installer, which installed this, but it didn't run. Or once it did run, it was like really glitchy. So what I ended up having to do was go into the Legacy Wine Tools configuration. Also, I would, if you are interested in doing this later, I would maybe make a bookmark or like a timestamp on this stream. The streams stay up. They're just usually unlisted. So if you want to come back and look at this. But what I did was I went under FL64 and set these two libraries to disabled. And I don't think I did anything specific for audio. I guess here's what my audio looks like, but I think these get overwritten. Let's see. I'll go through these. I don't remember exactly what I had to do. There was one more that was weird, which is there's like some FL Studio bridge in here that I'm looking for. I think it's this thing.
Using the train to like actually get around feels so cool.
Yeah.
Like I'm just playing through the game to try it out.
Where's this? There's
sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, hold on. So there's this there's this bridge program that FL Studio uses. I really wish I could resize this window. I believe it's this one right here. That I had to go into and also disable. I changed this to native built-in for D3, D11, and D3, D12. And then I think once those were enabled, I was able to run it. The other thing I had to change was DXVK settings. VK-D3D I had to play around with a little bit. And then I don't think I had to really change much else in here. And then for the launch options for FL Studio, this is what it looks like. It was a lot of things to change, but eventually I got it working to the point where I can send audio directly from my audio interface into FL Studio through Wine and then back out to my audio interface. Or I also have a MIDI controller. And actually, getting a MIDI controller to work on this thing was fucking easy. I'm actually so surprised that like plugging in my MIDI keyboard and then opening FL Studio was just enough to get it to work. I'm not running an AMD GPU, which is one of the main reasons I went with Nobara, because Nobara comes with NVIDIA drivers built in one of the versions. So where's my graphics driver? Am I VGA compatible? This one. Yeah. Yeah, so I've got an NVIDIA GPU. But yeah. So what were you going to say, JW?
Do you have the item drops on room completion or just the chests?
Item drops from room completion.
Or like the not collectibles.
Like keys and hearts and things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I just haven't gotten any of them yet.
Yeah. They are, it's 20% chance. So
Okay.
Yeah, they
should maybe be a little. Yeah, I literally just copied the values from Gungeon.
That's crazy.
A little bit, but you
really got to switch to Linux one day. My recommendation is learn how to dual boot and set your PC to default boot into Linux so that you still have the ability to go back to Windows if you need to, but then it kind of forces you to consciously make the decision to go to Windows. because like I tried to switch to Linux for a few years, just off and on. But then whenever I made it like the default operating system, it became so much easier to just like naturally boot up the computer, use Linux, and then if I needed to go back to Windows. But I also would recommend not checking out. Don't use anything Ubuntu based. I hate Ubuntu. It's terrible. I don't hate it, but I do think it's like the wrong move to be the recommendation. What else am I doing? Sorry, what was the...
I have bees that spawn bees. I never thought of that combo.
Yeah, Nobara is Fedora based, yeah. Hopefully it should work. I mean, I would recommend using bottles for like doing a wine wrapping thing. But yeah, hopefully it... Oh, JW just crashed, it seems. Hopefully it should be easy enough. But you can also join the Discord and hit a ping or whatever, anything that you need if you try getting it to work and it doesn't. Yeah, so the Ubuntu WSL is decent.
Does that? Hello?
Hello, welcome back.
I love when it just does that for no reason.
Yeah, no, it's really cool. Reshare your screen.
I think my stream is still up, right?
Sounds like it.
Okay.
Yeah, no, Ubuntu WSL is fine. I didn't realize what people said.
Okay.
So what good. People would say that on Windows using WSL was kind of like an emulation, like a
there we go.
Like a copy of the Linux whatever. It's like a bastardization of it or something. And I kind of understand it. After using the Linux file system for a while, I think that it's way better than WSL. It also makes way more sense than the Linux terminal and everything. But yeah, don't use Ubuntu. Ubuntu's the default desktop environment is built for tablets, and also they're adding AI into things, and also they've got like a really big company behind them and sponsorships and shit. If you do use Ubuntu, try Kubuntu, which is KDE Plasma Ubuntu, or Linux Mint, which is Cinnamon Ubuntu. Otherwise, I'd recommend Fedora. Fedora is really nice.
Completed a whole floor, and I didn't get a single drop besides chests.
Weird.
I will try one more time and see, but it may be not working.
Weird.
And it should definitely be more common for the demo, because I want people to like...
Yeah.
Get cool stuff. I think we want to give people a lot of cool stuff. We just don't want to give them too much variety. Another thing that I saw, I guess you actually probably saw this because you literally watched the exact same video.
Videos try to only like include more synergy items and leave out some of the ones that
Yep, that's exactly what I was gonna say. Is include stuff that like we know will work very well together.
Very surprised that you're not rolling items. Weird.
Yep. I'm not rolling items. Like I've seen a single one.
Let me take a look at the.
Also, when you change enemy spawning, something we can maybe do tonight. I also want to add a nicer spawn animation. Right now, the little circle thing's kind of ugly. Hey, I got one. I got one. I got one.
Lol.
Yeah, they just need to be more common, I think. And also the shop definitely needs to sell keys, because you should 100% have like a guaranteed way to get keys.
Yeah.
I love the train so much. I still didn't get a key though.
Yeah, the item chance is 20%, by the way.
Yep, I played a floor with 12 rooms on it, and I didn't get a single one.
It's crazy. I mean, we could do the same thing that we do with the chest, where it's like...
Yeah, we probably should. The only reason it was like that is because I literally just copied the values from Gungeon.
Yeah.
Because I'm evil like that.
Steam OS is Arch-based, which might make Steam games just have an easier time in general. Oh, sorry, there was actually something else that you said before that. Arch is a good option if you're willing to be more technical. It's already been perfectly smooth for you. Plus Team OS is Arch based. Yeah, I do want to try Arch at some point. But I have had such a beautiful time with Nobara that honestly, that might start being my go-to. Like, if you want to try out Linux, this is the one that you should try out. Because, like, there's this thing that comes up. It says, welcome to Nobara, the first time you install it. And it shows these guys, which are, like, the driver manager is really nice. But it recommends you use DaVinci Resolve. Big fan of that. And it also has OBS Studio as an install thing. Blender. It has just like a lot of really nice things that are like, here's where you can download things. And I'm a big fan of that. They also have a lot of guides. Let me see. Whenever I wanted to use Wine Asio, one thing that I found out that was really cool is if I go over here, I searched up Wine Asio Nobara. They actually have their own version of Wine Asio that comes pre-installed on Nobara. And they also have a bunch of guides for all of their stuff that you need, which is very nice.
The auto turret shoots the crystals. That's very funny. I love the random things that just like work together in this game that aren't supposed to. Oh, we need to make the UFO do something. I forgot.
You might want to allow the player to pick to open the pack from the top or the bottom for synergy pool and entire pool respectively. Maybe, but I feel like
no.
One issue that I have with games like Slay the Spire, one of the issues that I have is that you're kind of incentivized to have a really small deck. And I personally think that for a deck builder, you should be putting more cards into your deck often. Because then you're like, you know, building a deck rather than like trimming a deck.
Yeah, I definitely want to have more items that are like encourage having big decks.
Yeah, like stickers
so
that interact with
other
like cards. If you put
exactly.
If you put a sticker on like multiple cards, then it like buffs all of them based on how many.
Yeah, I was also thinking of having an item that's like a popper item that makes it that all like 1 rarity cards are like super mega buffed. So if you like run around and collect a bunch of like junk cards, you can eventually like supercharge all of them.
Popper, P-A-U-P-E-R, not
like the Magic format, you know.
Yeah. You said popper, and I was immediately like, oh, like the fucking party popper from Slay the Spire 2.
The party popper that deals
damage,
10 damage to all enemies when you enter the 9 damage, whatever. Maybe it was 7.
Yeah, but my concern with what you said, Alcor, was I feel like you would probably always just do like synergy pool. I feel like that would be the optimal choice always, because otherwise, like once you get like a couple of cards that are good, you would just always do synergy pool, because why would you want something outside of synergies? But yeah, no, it's definitely like, I definitely want to have, I'm gonna get rid of that fucking square.
Look at the card. Wait, can I get to that?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, good. I can. That's really.
You can also open it midair,
like
so you don't have to land up there.
Yeah, it's just funny how it's like that.
Yeah. You have to realize optimal doesn't equal fun. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely don't want people to be able to. I mean, we want people to be able to optimize it, but it shouldn't be something that you always are just doing.
Yeah, I do also want to have different kinds of packs at some point. Yep. So we could have like a synergy pack that like maybe every single card has an option of like 3 other cards that work well together with it or something. And then if you open a pack, it looks at all of your cards in your deck and picks a random one that like is one of the synergies of the other card.
Yeah.
But that could be annoying to set up, because then you'd have to manually define all the synergy cards to the other ones. And it probably wouldn't be like Gungeon, where it's like the synergy actively does something special. It'd just be like cards that work well together, but...
Yeah, like a card that gives an energy poison, or an enemy poison, and a card that does, I don't know, extra damage to poisoned enemies.
Yeah.
Maybe that'd be a relic.
I am dead. should probably change the end screen at some point, but
Yeah.
yeah, I think right now we need to work on things that'll like actually impact the gameplay, and then like a couple days before demo, hopefully we can polish stuff up like that, add more content.
First room I got an
like
item
view the
drop, by the
cards.
way. Get fucked, idiot.
Alright.
Yeah, you said something about the shop. Oh yeah, shop. You wanted to add
Keys.
LT
Yeah.
shop. Are we
playing
redesigning?
toys.
What's happening to the shop? Shop is being redesigned.
I'll redesign the shop as long as there's like places for items, and
Okay.
I can move them around.
We have a table.
And what?
We have a table sprite.
We have that little countertop sprite that you can.
This is it.
Yeah.
That's the
No,
whole
that's
thing.
not. That's not one sprite. That's a tile. That's a tile.
Yeah,
It's
no,
not
that's
one.
great. But like, that's it. That's all we have.
Yes, that's all we have. I have not worked on the shop. I will work on the shop at some point.
No, but I thought we had like tables and shit just in general. Like we have a.
No, we don't have like anything for the shop.
Yeah, it's not just specific to this shit. Whatever, dude. We have boxes.
Yeah, those aren't tables though.
Yeah. We need boxes.
Another thing we need to do on here is make the auto turret work with the prism sticker. Also,
Mhm.
does the
What?
Do you all have a marketing list you're sending out to creators yet? Yeah, we have a list about
Yeah.
like a little over 100. I need more, but
Yeah, if you guys want
I'm
the
running
first and
out
last
of-
name and emails of everyone in the list, I can pull it up on stream really quickly. That's not true. We don't have first
That's
and
not
last
true.
name.
But yeah, I
Oh.
need to find more. I am struggling to find more because searching on YouTube is a pain.
Have you added Northern Line?
Of course I have.
Okay.
I'm sending him like
What
10
about
emails a day.
Reformation?
Yeah.
Wanderbots?
Yep.
Okay. Just curious.
Like yes, I have like all of them.
I know. Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
No, I know
You've
you-
literally seen the list.
I have. Yeah. I literally have the list on my computer right now.
You literally
Um,
probably have it open right now because you
I
just left it
don't.
open in a tab and you didn't feel like closing it.
So,
okay, that's just me.
One
Is the
thing
lights
that I
on there?
want.
Yes, it is. He is. Pretty
There's-
much if they play roguelites, they're on the list.
Yeah. So you said the only thing that has been hard to get used to is text editors. The hardest thing to get used to in Linux. I kind of agree, except I just use Visual Studio Code for text editing whenever I can. So like, I'll just edit things in here. But also, Nano is nice because like, it's mainly just like a regular text editor, except a little fucky, because you have to control X to exit. Just hope that you don't ever have to Vim into anything.
Wait, hold up. Hold up.
Holding up. Oh, it fucking auto aims to it.
Yeah, that's
kinda
really
fire.
funny. It just keeps going up.
Okay, so let me add this. I've been using NeoVim. Vim sounds like it would be really cool, but I don't want to take the time to learn Vim because my speed with Visual Studio Code is already fast enough that I don't care to try to optimize the fuck out of it. I think the time...
Jupiter sticker does not work on here.
Yeah. The time hit that I think I would take for using or for learning Vim would not be worth the time save. 64 is one whole thing. Yeah, so I want to move it over like 256 or something. Oh, this is not an auto toggle that I have selected. What's up?
I'm just thinking if there's an easy way to make this work. There probably isn't.
What do you want it to do?
I wanted to just make it like wider.
Like just as overall?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
I mean, it's something you can also do on the op, right?
Oh yeah, right. It doesn't work on the op.
Like you
either.
want it to, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe. It might be. You don't like how heavy VS Code is? I feel like it's a pretty light program for the most part. It's also a Microsoft product, yeah. But it's less Microsoft.
What's rendering it? Line renderer? Sorry.
Maybe. I don't fucking
Does
remember.
this have access to the card?
I don't know. I don't remember. to be
Probably
honest.
not, because it's not like specific to the card.
Doesn't seem like it.
Let me just see. Card. Card instance? Yeah, no, we don't. I'm thinking. Let me just try something. Where is... Create line, maybe? Mine updated, maybe that's what I want. Best viewers. Let's go. I should go to this website that they're linking in chat. Let's see. Will this... So that's not...
Fuck it, I'll just copy all of this for a second and I'll remove things that don't matter. You're gone.
Ooh, that did not...
Sorry, I'm locking in for a second. I got some actual ideas that I need to quickly do. Just for anyone in chat, if I'm ignoring people, I'm not meaning to. Probably.
Scaled up. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I figured out how to make it bigger, or at least what value I need to change to make it bigger.
Does that change the hitbox?
And yes, what?
Does it change the hitbox?
Probably not. I can check. Maybe?
Turn on the debug collision display. I think it shows up
Oh, yeah,
there.
that might help.
I don't 100% remember if it does or doesn't, I'll be honest.
Nope.
Sprite, price label.
Where is the, is it in the line renderer?
No.
Yeah, no, this is just scaling the sprite.
Yeah, it's
unless the thing is a job
it's
sprite.
something in the hit scan handler or hit scan aim assist, one of the two. It's
oh,
some shit,
here.
yeah, because it's hit scan and it does some shit. I'll be honest, I don't 100% remember right now, and I'd have to look through the code. And I'm not doing that right now. So I need to get the shop item to work.
I mean, I think making the sprite larger is easy.
What do we want the items to be? Like, what do we want items to be in the shop that we're selling? Here.
Keys, hearts.
Keys and hearts.
Shields. I don't know.
Shields, keys, hearts. Okay, so just anything that would drop from like a room normally, basically.
Yep.
Okay. I'm just trying to think of like what that would. I guess I could just use like an item drop as like the base and then just like freeze it in place, probably. Well, maybe. This is newer on disk. That's weird. I don't know fucking how, but it is apparently.
Okay. this is doing some things. Yeah, maybe yeah, let's not worry about this right now. Because this is not like game breaking, and we can fix this after we like submit the thing for review, and you can look at it. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds great to me, man. I'll be real with you.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you just need to put it on a list somewhere so I remember to do it.
Yep. I'm just dumping everything in here. Jupiter, or we'll say hit scan. Thankfully, a lot of these are just like polish, you know. Train animations. Yeah, we don't need that immediately. What do we like need? Like a lot of this is just like polish. I am hungry. I forgot to eat dinner. I had a bowl at work and then I forgot to eat.
You had a what?
A bowl.
A bowl?
Mm-hmm. A breakfast bowl.
Ah, okay.
Oh, we need the meta progression items.
Probably.
I might add a dialogue system at some point.
Wait, what do you mean by?
Because like it wouldn't be that hard to do.
Yeah.
Really, the main thing is just if I wanted to do in the hub.
Yeah,
like being able to buy these.
Okay, being able to buy those. Okay, so that's easier than. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've already thought
And
about
then-
like the meta progression stuff and how we want to unlock that and block
Okay.
things.
Yeah. And then like saving and loading ideally.
Yeah, I would also think. I guess I'm gonna run this one by you. I realized that I internalized this and thought I told you.
That's a little insane.
The Salmon Storm should be locked behind the first couple of runs. You should not be able to get your first run. Because a lot of people take it and realize they don't have enough mana to cast it. And so I think that you should be required to play a run or two to understand how mana works before you get access to a
Or
card like that.
we should reduce the cost so that way you can get it on your first run and be like, wow, this is the coolest game ever.
Maybe. Well,
I
either
think
or.
that's the much better option.
Sure. I mean, we
I don't
definitely
think
want...
you're wrong. I think
Yeah,
that's a good point.
Well,
but I
yeah,
think
we have to lock something behind meta
chances-
progression. I'm assuming we want to do that with some cards. So I was thinking Salmon Storm would be one of them, but
I was thinking items. I mean, because this is set up for items. I'd have to set up something else for cards, like some kind of UI or something.
sorry, what do you mean that's set up for
I
items?
use the U word. I'm sorry. Hello,
What is
Master
set up for
Liberty.
items?
Like if you look at
Yeah. Isn't it set up for items? That makes it sound like it already works or something.
where's the hub room? I have it up here somewhere. I know I do.
Dog, at this point it'd be easier for you to just like control P and start typing random words until you find it.
Where is that? I know it's in here.
Oh my lord.
Okay, maybe it's not in here. There we go. I got it. And I didn't have it open, by the way. But like this is, see how there's like the little platforms here? There's gonna be like items that sit on top of these. So like, how would you display a card for this?
I don't know. I was thinking it would just be like something like how Slay the Spire has it, where after you like complete like a run, it gives you some points and then you
No,
unlock things based
no.
on that. Okay. That's a fucking terrible idea,
I don't
guess.
like things where it's just like, oh, you level up, and I like being able to pick what items I unlock, even if it doesn't tell you what they do. Like
yeah, almost. I do think that we should have items that unlock like just by doing things in the game, like whenever you first kill a boss or whenever you first do this thing or whenever you do whatever.
I mean, yeah, we can have both. I'm just saying that, like,
Yeah.
I think if I, yeah, I don't know. I think if I had to have one, I would pick the you get to pick which one you unlock. But that's just me. And then skin selection UI. I might try that. This is terrifying.
What is?
Skin selection UI.
Why?
Because I don't know how to do UI.
Okay.
Okay, well, first things first, how do I open a UI when I interact with something? Yeah.
You are going
on this tonight, but, if you're busy.
I would recommend new scene. Make a control. Make it anchors full rect. Attach a script to it. The default script for menus is called menu.gd. You might be able to right click, change type, and then do menu. Yep, and then extend the script, so right click extend. And then put that wherever you want it to be and call it the correct thing. Probably under source UI something.
Menus. That works.
Sure.
This is skin select UI. I can't see what I'm. Look, I got it right. Beautiful.
Wow. And the only thing that you need to do in that is just for now do an override on the cancel function. And do close.emit. Closed. With a D.
I didn't hear that.
Yep. And then save that as a scene somewhere. Yep, and then whenever you want to open that up, you can put a script on whatever you want to open it up with and add. I'll help you write the code whenever you get there. It's simple, mostly. So go ahead and set up your thing that you can interact with.
I already have it.
Oh, it already has the interaction on it. Do you have a script on it already?
I mean, it has the interaction area. Do I need a script on like the main thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And if you want to do the thing, what you can grab the interaction area off of the Nope. Inside the ready function, you can grab the interaction area as a component. Util.get component.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, sorry, let me read chat just a little bit really quickly.
Yeah, bro is ignoring you.
Yeah, unlockable items from quest is probably a good idea. Yeah, I think so. I don't think it's probably the only way, but yeah, I do think that like having certain like you do this thing and it causes you to like I really like in Peglin how there's like a I don't remember the exact which one it was, but there was like if you play a run where you get enough of a certain type of a status effect on an enemy, you unlock a character that specializes in that status effect. I think things like that are fun.
Yeah, that's cool.
Although it was a little annoying in Peglin because the status effect was a pretty rare status effect if you weren't playing as that character. So you had to really go out of your way to get it. And that status effect kind of sucked unless you were on that character. So it was like a lost run, basically.
Yeah. I do think that for the demo, like it makes sense to have the unlocks with currency. I feel like it's more like tangible. It's like, oh, I played this run and I got this currency. Now I get to go unlock something rather than passively like, oh, I did this random thing and I unlocked this thing. I feel like it encourages people more to like go get more of that currency.
Yeah, maybe.
I feel like it's more instantly rewarding. It's like, oh, I died, but I got this currency so I can unlock this thing and then go try to get that item.
Yeah. So I do like the, I also like the Binding of Isaac unlocks.
Okay, what am I doing with the interaction area?
Yeah, give me just a second. Biddy, I hate shader coding and UV render splitting. Have I ever done UV render slicing? Like whenever you... Yes, I think. If I understand what you're saying, the answer is yes. But I would like you to explain specifically what you're talking about. Alright, yeah, so what are you... Sorry, JW, what were you, huh?
Yeah, just how to open the menu.
So, first off, also, can you colon equals that, just so you get IntelliSense? And also so the code runs faster. Interacted.connect. Interacted. Signals are past tense. And then just connect it to a function. Yeah. So
also, yeah, Gungeon does have both, where it's like some things cost things, some require things.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of NPCs that let you unlock things in different ways, which are cool. Yeah.
So if you want to open up a UI, let me double check that I remember exactly how this works, because it should just be... Yeah, okay. So it's basically this code I have on my screen right now, but you will do if menus.canOpenMenu. And then inside of that, you will spawn the menu that you want to open and call menus.openNewMenu and pass in the new menu. Segmenting a UV to project a dynamic number using only a single static texture atlas. Yeah, let me see if I can spawn this in actually through the menu. Nope.
Oh, can I just do, do I have to, like, instantiate it, or do I just call menus?
You will instantiate it,
open? Yeah.
Okay. Just because it's really useful for, like, for example, Nacho wants to know when the shop menu closes.
Yeah.
So he keeps a reference to the menu that he creates.
Well, yeah.
But you don't need to keep a reference to it, because it should automatically queue free whenever it closes, I think. Mayhaps? Maybe not, actually. Let me see. Do I have anything in here that tells it to queue free?
Okay. Let me go ahead and put some random... We'll put a panel on here. Why not?
Yeah. Yeah, and then I can also help you with some of the more specific parts of the UI, like controller support and stuff like that, because it's a bit of a weird one, but it should mostly be fine. Alright, drop. So is this should be in the tree right now, right? Under menus. Card selection UI, and then whenever I'm done with that. Okay, it does free itself. I actually don't know where the fuck that's happening though. To be real with you. Is it part of the animation, or is it... Someone's queue freeing somewhere. Oh yeah, it's under here. So it does need to be queue freed whenever it gets closed. Otherwise it'll stay in the tree. What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't remember what I was doing, sorry.
You were testing that. Whoa, it's a panel.
Nope, I can't close it.
You can't close it? What? You can't close it. Why can't you close it?
No.
Can you go to your code really quickly, or go to Godot?
Oh!
Oh, that was cool. Go to Godot.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Just go to Godot.
The funny thing is it does that. Wait.
Oh no.
Okay, so it always does that. Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't.
Okay, there's a lot of errors in the console. Can you scroll down?
Oh.
Okay. Maybe that doesn't. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't matter. It's fine. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, I think that might have been from me, like, opening the
Yeah.
thing.
So can you? Why is that not closing. I thought closed hides the menu. Oh, maybe it doesn't automatically hide it, actually. Okay, yeah. Can you do... At the end of that, can you call UI layers.hide menu self? That doesn't do too much for now, but it'll be useful later.
Okay, so does that make this work?
Hopefully. Yeah, I think we will do chase achievements that are just like harder to get. Like you actually have to go out of your way to get them. Because I'd rather not all the achievements just be like kill 1,000
Beat a run
enemies,
without
complete
playing a
10
card.
runs. Yeah, win a run without playing a card. That sounds like freaking. That sounds terrible, man. I'll be real.
Did you see that video that someone made of how you could beat Slay the Spire without playing a card?
Really?
That it's like theoretically possible. It's like
have you seen
statistically impossible, but theoretically it is.
Have you seen videos of people talking about how to beat Minecraft from like 4 blocks? It's not working?
Yeah.
Really? Can you... Okay, stop doing that thing. Do a... What?
Wait.
Put a console.print in the cancel function that just says fucking anything. And then, I think you can shift R to go back to the main menu. And I think that might do free it. Nope.
I'm pressing shift R.
Lol. Okay. Oh, good luck.
And it also didn't print, so this isn't working, I don't think.
That's because the menu is no longer open to the game, even though it's being shown. So just restart the game. Yeah. It's because of, whenever the menu gets closed, it is no longer seen as an active menu. So even though it didn't disappear, it's no longer the active menu that gets called.
I see. I see.
Doesn't see.
Doesn't see.
Yeah.
That's the wrong thing. I have to click on this. I press escape.
Yeah, can you look at your Godot console? Because it might be blocking it.
It did print Meow.
It did print Meow. It didn't hide the thing. Oh, because this doesn't do anything. That's funny. That's actually very funny.
Does it just not do anything?
This...
Dog, look at my programmer. I'm so cooked.
Why the fuck did this not hide it, though? I thought this hid things. Hold on. I don't remember how this works. I wrote this.
Are all the menus just, like, broken and we didn't know?
No. Well, you probably would have noticed if the other menus were doing this thing where they're not hiding.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like, they could be, like, maybe it's... I don't know.
Me neither.
There's got to be something I put in here to make it work, because the other menus work.
Yeah, I just don't remember what it is. Closed? On menu closed. Connect. Active menu is null. Call deferred on hide menus. Hide menus does this.
I should pet the noodle. No, don't do that.
Oh, why is this here? Hold on, let me think about this for a second. Why the fuck is this here?
Why not? Will you explode? I mean, I might. Possible.
Can you do me a favor, JW?
Yeah.
Can you... Okay, there's a couple of things. I want you to test something for me though. Can you Control P menus.gd?
Mm-hmm.
Control G 136 enter.
One what?
136.
136.
And then can you remove that line and tab the line below it to the right one? All right, thanks. Save it and then reload the game.
Okay. What if this breaks every other menu in the game?
That's what I want you to test it for, because I want to see if this works for this menu, and then I want you to spawn in. The only one that would be weird is the card selection UI from the card drop scene.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't used this can open menu thing too much since I made it.
That does work.
So that does something. It's not freeing the menu, which is fine. But yeah, can you just spawn a card drop?
It seems to be fine.
Okay. So the only thing that is, can you try opening the skin menu again then? Okay, cool. So the only thing that you're gonna notice is if you go into your remote tree, under menus, there are now gonna be 3 or 4 of those, or more.
There's a lot more than 3 or 4.
Can you hover over each of their scene icons and see which ones they are? Yeah, are any of them not skin select? You can also, yeah, you're gonna have to move your mouse onto the, I don't know why I said scene icon, just do it on the node itself.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Just so long as none of those are card select UI. I also don't know why those aren't, it's weird that those aren't force readable, whatever. Okay, so that should work. So the only thing that is, you'll need to queue free the menu if you want.
Like manually? Okay.
Yeah.
Like in here, just queue free here?
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, that should be mostly fine. There's also, the only other thing is the function.
There's some beautiful emojis, by the way.
The function that opens it, there's an open function that you can override. So whenever the menu actually pops up, that is the function that is called. I hope. Okay, am I lying? Maybe I'm lying. Activate?
Yeah.
I think it's called activate.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go. I think.
Well,
you should
I put anything in here?
You should put a print there to make sure I'm not lying out of my ass, because I could be. There's a decent chance of it. Did you put a second meow? Can I just, like, ask you how... What if that's the first meow?
There's 2.
Yeah, well, how do you know it's not just calling the close function twice?
I don't. And that's fine.
Fortnite.
What am I writing?
I don't know. Whatever else you want now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's up to you now.
That's it.
That's skin selection time, yeah. That should be everything until you want to do controller support, which shouldn't require very much code from you, hopefully, with like the biggest asterisk in the world. Okay, what was I doing? I swear I was doing something before. Oh yeah, I was trying to say, hey, I'm gonna fix this thing where you can select cards. So let's do that. Okay, what happens now? Spawn, card, selection UI, right click, reload, and then card drop.
Wait,
You like Biddy? Biddy is cool. Let's not tell
That's
lies.
wrong.
Yeah, let's not tell lies.
Yeah, let's not lie
I
here.
appreciate it, but let's not tell lies.
Okay, trying to think what all I want to put on here. So I just need buttons to select skins. Right.
Yes.
Let me like make sure this looks right size-wise. Good enough, yeah. Might even make it smaller.
Why are selectable? Weird. Weird.
Ah.
Oh, what the hell happened here? Canceling suspended execution of on-card selected due to a script reload. What?
What?
What? The
Make
fuck
this
does
a
that mean?
sprite. I don't care. I'm lazy.
I've actually never had Godot break this like this. That's actually so weird. Tempura.
What? I need to make a UI theme that doesn't look terrible. Because the default one does kind of look terrible. Let's see how does this look if we make a bunch of buttons.
Yay! I think that might work. Let me see. These work. No, I can still hover over it, but sorry. Kinda. Why can these be hovered, actually?
Beautiful.
Wait.
Okay, I'm just thinking, depending on how many of these there are and how big I want the buttons to be, would it be very hard to make like a horizontal scroll box that like contains all the buttons?
Sorry,
we want it to be
can you do me a favor and just like run that by me again?
Horizontal scroll box, like if say I wanted these to be slightly bigger or I had more of them that went like off this way. To have, like, a box that scrolls.
Are you saying would it be hard?
Yeah, I imagine probably not. The main thing is controller.
Nope, wouldn't be
Well,
hard.
I guess even with controller. Oh yeah, you're right.
It would
just
not be
automatically
difficult.
follow the things. Okay, yeah.
Dude, your heart still has a
Not
bite taken
working.
out of it. That's so fucking funny.
Oh yeah, because I changed it back to the other
Yeah.
stretch mode, so that would work.
I don't know what the fuck is up with that. It's so weird.
It's
I don't
only
know
like
how.
very specific screen sizes, so it's not a problem.
Dude, one of these days, I'm gonna have you download like fucking like was it called TeamViewer?
Also-
Is that what it was called? Like a screen share program where like I can just like take control of your mouse and keyboard, and like
yeah, we should do that.
and I'm just gonna like fucking just like dick around on like Godot on your computer until it fixes itself, because I'm not gonna be able to tell you try doing
because it's not
this
doing
and-
it on your Windows either.
Yeah, it doesn't. That's the annoying part. I would love for it to happen on
It's just
my
me.
so that I could also like test it. Let me see. Does my display go up to a higher resolution? I think the answer is no. I hope the answer is no.
Okay.
It doesn't. Do any of my screens go to a different resolution? No. Good. I wonder if anyone I know near me has an ultra wide monitor that I can borrow. Windows has built-in remote control. Yeah, it has RDP. You're right. I forgot about that. You know what has built-in remote control? Actually, and this was shocking. KDE Plasma, the desktop environment, has a built-in remote control. Like if I open up my phone and say to connect to my computer, I think it should just work. Yep, this is my phone right now. I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone to control my computer right now. All because I'm running KDE Plasma.
You're like evil.
You say I'm evil, but this was like kind of insane for whenever we were at PAX. Because I was able to control the stuff on the TV because I was using my laptop from my phone. Which was like fucking sick. I can also turn on, I can press a button and it'll turn on keyboard input. Which means that while I'm on my phone, oh shit, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Video phone. I wonder if I can use like,
phone.
Can I use swipe the text? Yeah, I can't.
Oh, it's over.
It is over, yeah. Also, you can fake ultra wide, you can just have your screen display. Nope. You cannot. I have had JW send me the exact coordinate, position, and size of the window and copied it into my Godot and set my window to be exactly the size and position of his, and it did not replicate it, even on Windows. Oh, wait.
Very cool.
Does Wilson have an ultra wide? Wait, does Wilson?
No, I don't think so. Somebody has an ultra wide. I don't remember who now.
I'm messaging Wilson.
Was it Tone? Does he have an ultra wide? He might have an ultra wide. I don't know. Wilson definitely doesn't.
Yeah, I don't think he did either. Does Nui have an ultra wide? Let me message Nui. Do you have an ultra wide monitor? Or do you use an ultra wide monitor? One of my friends is also an idiot and uses an ultra wide monitor just like you.
All right, bro.
But yeah, also I could use Windows RDP to get into your computer with your permission and then control and try things from there.
Bro thinks that's happening.
I can just, I don't know, I'll be like, yo dog, I'll send you a CSGO case if you let me do this, and you'd be like,
oh,
wait a minute.
Hold up. Now you're talking.
What was I doing in here? This thing, I can still hover over it, but I shouldn't be able to. Mouse entered. I want you to be able to tell whether or not this is a thing. Although I think this is part of the description card, right? Are you the one that does hover? Hover entered, hovered, exited? Yeah. If can focus? You don't have a thing like that, do you? No, you don't. So what I'll do is I will grab... What a brave decision for Donkey Kong Country. The final boss theme started off as like a sea shanty type of like music, and then it turns into like electric guitar for some weird ass reason, and it kind of goes crazy.
Kind of crazy. Wait, what's...
I should I should do a recording. I'm gonna put that on my list. I'm gonna do a recording test to make sure that my audio sync isn't messed up on Linux because I still haven't done that. Recording test. Check music volume ducking, and what did I just say? Oh yeah, audio sync. Yeah. Holy shit, it's already 9 p.m.
I know we're locked in.
What the hell?
That's okay.
What if we like redesign
Or
the entire
a little
boss
longer.
fight?
Let's not do that. Did you see? Did I send that to you? The debug.
Debug?
The bug with the boss.
What
if
bug?
you kill him, while he is
while he's spawning
doing
enemies, it keeps shaking.
Yeah, while he's spawning enemies, it'll shake forever. Yeah.
Yeah.
I also thought that it locked you out of the room, but I didn't realize that it always locks you out of the room. The room should open when you kill the boss.
Yeah, it's been me. It's been like that for
Rare JW programming. Yeah, I'm programming.
It's been like that since the
like
first
that.
iteration of the boss, by the way.
Yeah.
Which is very funny because people haven't really talked about it.
Well, because there's not multiple levels, so there's
Yeah.
no reason to go back. Like, if we had multiple levels, it would be like, oh, I got money from the boss, so I should go to the shop and buy this before I leave.
What was I gonna do here?
Which is, like, perfectly valid if there's multiple levels. Which we'll have. Also, actually, I just realized that probably won't actually be a thing, because once you beat the boss, that's the end of the demo, probably. Unless we want to keep the looping in, but I don't think I want to keep it looping. Maybe. Because honestly, not having it is like, then people want to play it more. Because we don't want to just like give people infinite playability.
We can. I don't know.
I don't think we should.
Okay.
Because I don't think it's like the greatest gameplay experience, and two, yeah, giving people like too much progression can be bad. Not like progression, but like.
This motherfucker's so greedy. He's like, we don't want players to have fun. No, I get what you're saying.
Yeah, we want them to buy the game.
Yeah,
I want
true.
money.
What if we release the game open source for free?
I would die.
It's like a learning resource. Be like, yo, if you want to make a game
guy.
that is a bitch to work on, here you go. Just kidding. This game does have some like kind of shit systems, but for the most part, it's like I'm pretty happy with the stability of this project now. There's definitely some like rough parts, but
I'm gonna pay you to just like make like standalone versions of every system in this game that I can just like copy and paste into any other project that I ever make.
Okay.
Because there's so many things in this that I literally never want to have to make myself.
Okay. I mean, that's fine. I can do that. I mean, systems are like literally my favorite part of like game development, is like just making systems that can be used in different ways rather than like
using systems and not making them.
Yeah.
What am I writing here? Texture rec dot texture is equal to texture. I love using the same name variable in multiple places. Okay, so now I can delete all of you. Call it the modulability. It's like modulability. I'm not gonna try to
Holy
say
shit,
that.
man.
I'm struggling.
That's
Sorry, English isn't
crazy.
my first language.
I can't wait until like 10 years down the line, GW releases another game. It happens to be a platformer, and then someone's like taking apart the code, and they're like, for some reason, I don't know why, but the camera is called biddy_camera.gd.
This will happen. This is true.
The code in here is a bitch to decipher, but it seems to work, so. Modulability.
Why is it translating? Hello?
What did it change it?
It just got rid of a T. Oh no, it added.
Oh, law is the.
Yeah, it changed law to the and got rid of the T on bit. Oh, they need to remove this. It's so bad. Or maybe people just like normally chat like actual messages and not just like random noises. But
check this out.
What am I checking out? Hold up. Chat.
Check this out. Chat. Okay.
I'm looking.
Okay, spawn, card, drop. Boom. Okay. Whoa, wait.
Let's go. That's actually so nice.
Okay, and now for completeness sake, I'm gonna spam left and right on my keyboard. Whoa.
Let's go. That's so tough.
It is, dude.
Tough alert.
Tough. I now need to do it for the sticker menu.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? Oh, I forgot that I got rid of this. Right. Sorry.
Also, just for future reference, this is not about the game. This is about like marketing stuff, by the way.
No.
For the if we had planned better, it probably would have been smarter to release the demo before the Deck Builder Fest and then get people to cover the game, like just before it, because I think, from what I've heard, is like popularity and like wishlist velocity and things like that can give you like higher up on the event, the Steam's sale event stuff.
Yeah.
But-
Sorry, I just looked over at your chat. I thought about calling you a gay boy in Arabic, but I might accidentally call you a slur. Did you not turn on live chat? Is that why it didn't show up?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's just-
I always think it's turned on live chat and then Moaz says something and then I can't see it.
Yeah.
Moaz
JW doesn't
be
read your
saying
messages,
some
by the
things.
way.
This is true.
What did I come before? Oh yeah.
At on ready preload.
No! Kill him! Kill him!
You can't stop me.
Okay. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put you on screen because I really need to use the bathroom. So
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Well,
to
they
get
get
stare
to
at
see
your
the
program.
on ready preload. Oh, I accidentally have you on screen. Hold up. There you go. This is skin. So wait. Yeah, this is right. Skin select. We'll just call it skin button. There we go. What the heck is he doing for the skins in here? Where are skins? Skins. Player skin. Skin options. It's probably in here somewhere. Gameplay. Ooh, that doesn't help. Is it in here? Oh, it might just be in the top level settings. Oh yeah, it definitely is. Okay, where is skins? Skins, populate skins for texture and textures. Where is this being called?
All right, I'm back.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. So you just finished adding support for loading in Roblox's in-house mesh file format in Godot. It turns out that it seems to use counterclockwise normal data, while Godot uses clockwise normal data. True. Well, Godot uses clockwise like any data. I don't think it's specifically normal data, like any vertices or clockwise. I'm fairly certain.
What the heck is continue?
You don't know what continue is?
I have never seen this ever in my entire life.
That's crazy. You have okay, so do you have any idea of what continue does? Any guesses?
No.
Okay. Do you know what the word break is?
Yeah.
Okay, what does break do?
It like breaks out of whatever it's in.
Okay, so just a little tip for future reference. When you're defining a word, don't use the word in the definition.
Oh, it like...
I want to make sure that you actually know what it is and not just saying the word like, oh, it breaks in the loop.
It like, if it's like in a loop, it would like exit the loop, right?
Yeah. So continue does the same thing, except it stops executing the current loop and just continues to the next iteration.
Okay.
So it's, if you have an array of like 10 different nodes.
I thought return did that as well.
No, return exits the whole function.
A...
So for continue, imagine you have like 10 nodes and you only want
I get what it does, but
you only want to do things to node 2Ds, so you would just continue on anything that isn't a node 2D.
Well, see.
Yeah. That's so fucking fun actually though. I'm actually happy that you said that out loud because it's just like the concept of you not knowing about continue, because it's just such like a like it's just like part of like my mind. I like forget that it's not just like an inherent thing that is understood as much as like a break or a for loop.
Yeah.
But yeah, no. Return will return from the entire function. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, sticker upgrade UI. Wow. Fuck, I forget which scene this is. It's somewhere in here, I think. It's called sticker selection button. Cool. Hover, on hover entered.
Coding, guys. Isn't this so cool? I'm cool like Bitlytic. Wait. No. That's not right.
What the hell, dude? Do you even know what's going on in the code that you just copy and pasted? Because I noticed that you copy and pasted that from the settings menu. Any guesses? Oh, fun.
Well, it almost worked.
Did you forget to set the texture or something, or Did you just add buttons based on how many skins there were instead of assigning the texture?
Give me a second.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Cat tree.
Why is it there?
Wait, does that mean it's in the skin selection menu?
Yeah, wait,
Like
it
in-
might be.
Oh my god, it is. It's cat tree guy.
I wasn't thinking cat tree guy. You can be cat tree guy.
Yo, sick ass skin.
Chopped him in half.
Dude, he's chopped.
He's chopped. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one looks really ugly too. I need to.
It's very
work on it a
gray.
little bit. Yeah. It's hard to make him look good without making him just like washed out.
Yeah.
I might just remove that one for right now, but
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll remove Callie. I might remove Callie.
What?
Yeah.
That's fine. She pissed me off today. That's not true. I'm literally just lying. I don't
That's
know
okay.
why. I was gonna like make up a
Don't
story
we
and I was like,
all?
I don't want to do that. She didn't piss me off. She got on my desk earlier. And she like
I'm going to make a folder for skins. Or is it in here? Oh. Where's the one for regular Dante? Where's the sprite for regular Dante?
oh, I don't know.
It's just not in here.
I think he's just about the okay, so that whole thing about you don't know about the whole yeah, whatever. Go back up, go up in your code. In your code. In your code. Like where you're loading all the skins. You can just scroll up in your code right now.
Oh,
and it'll be
here.
chill. Yeah, asset sprites Dante. So lines 8, 10, and 12 are load Dante skin, load
Oh.
all the custom cat skins, and then load the custom skins that people put in their cat folder, which
Oh, okay.
is not
I
clear
think-
at all, but yeah.
We kill this one and move all of the usable skins to Dante.
I mean, if you want, sure. That's ideally
I'm
all of the
not
fucking
adding
usable
fire.
skins went into that folder, but whatever.
Yeah, but I put other things in here and I don't want to move them.
Yeah, so you're
I'm
gonna
not
move the
making- I
8
don't wanna
files
make a
that
new
have been living
folder.
in there, but in not the files
Yeah.
that were added, you know, instead of the correct place. It's fine, it's chill, I understand. It's fine.
Whoa.
But honestly, I mean, I'll keep this in here just in case people want to change it mid-run for some stupid odd reason, but... Sorry, my bad.
Damn, that's great,
Um,
dude.
I know.
He said, "Fuck you," and for some stupid odd reason, it's
No,
probably
that's not
because
what I
they loaded one of your ugly ass skins and didn't realize how ugly it was until they started playing. They realized, shit, this blends in with this ugly.
No, that's not true.
Yep.
Anyways, look at that. Now I just need to put them in a scroll box so they can scroll. I don't know how to do that, but we'll figure that out.
Very easy, actually. Do you want to help with it, or do you want to figure it out yourself?
I got it.
Okay. Good luck.
Also, can I like reorder these?
How? No. They're just alphabetical order. How do you want to reorder them?
Okay, I just wanted to put Dante first, so that way it's fine. This is fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's alphabetical.
Yeah, pretty much. No, they can be ordered at some point.
Mhm.
Ideally, they wouldn't just be loading from PNGs. They would be loading from some sort of resource, but just for now, they're just PNGs.
Yeah, that's fine.
What am I doing in here? Oh yeah, level select, level teleport, room shop. Fuck. Oh, I moved that over. Also, the camera does some weird things whenever you teleport. That's fun. It's a little shaky.
Sorry.
You should be. Oh, because I'm not telling this to deactivate. I understand.
Whoa, look at that. Wait, why does the scroll bar weird?
Why does the
Oh,
scroll
'cause-
bar weird?
Is it we only have it for vertical, don't we?
Correct, yeah.
Does it work on control? Oh, actually, no, it's not gonna work on controller because
Nope.
it's not set up properly yet. But I mean, this does work as intended,
Kinda.
kind of.
Do you want to set it up with controller?
Hmm?
Do you want to set it up with
Not
controller?
yet.
Okay.
Let me make it like not look terrible first.
Okay.
So you,
What are you trying to? Are you trying to change the scroll bar?
I want to change where the stuff in here. Is it here? Do I make the center? No. That's
No,
not
it is based on the child. So is that
Oh,
the scroll container you
this?
have selected?
Yeah. Oh, this
Yeah.
needs to be. Is it?
Yeah, anything that you put in there will be like filled out. Turn on the expand flags on both horizontal and vertical.
Oh, I see.
So what I would recommend whenever you're testing UI things like this out is go into your Godot editor and under HBox container, Control Shift A, and add the option, add one of them in there so that you can see
Why
what it
is
would
he
look like
big?
in.
Okay. Why is it doing that?
I don't know. Well, it's probably because you have the vertical stretch mode set to expand inside of the skin select option
Oh,
itself.
this.
Well, either
What
or.
did I do?
Probably. That would be
No.
under layout.
Layout.
Under layout container sizing.
No.
Vertical set to fill. Sorry, not fill, or not expanded, set to fill, which means it will take up as much space as it can.
Oh, okay. I see. There we go. That's what I want it to look like. Then this guy, I think. How do I make it? Wait, no, you. I want to make. No. Do that, and then.
I wonder if this just works. This might work, although I don't know.
How do I want to make the scroll container a constant height. It's in a margin container.
You want to make it a constant height? Go to the scroll container
Yeah.
and set the vertical to shrink center.
Go here. There we go. And then
Yep,
minimum
and then you can set
size
the
is...
custom minimum size, yeah.
Yeah.
Although I think there might actually be a fit content thing if you scroll up. I don't remember if it has. No,
No,
I
I
guess
think
not.
so. There we go. That's better. There, no, I guess it's in here. Why is this not expanding out that way? Wait. No.
What are you trying to do?
Wait, no, this is fine. I'm just thinking.
Oh no.
I'm
sorry to hear
thinking what
that.
I'm trying to think.
I'm really sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah,
I hope you get better soon.
I think I'll do the same up here. Make this guy like.
What are you trying to
I'm
do?
learning how to use UI though. I'm just making this smaller. Because I don't need it like it's a giant box. I think this will look nicer if it's just a little box that like pops up. Oh, wait, there's a bunch of empty ones, that's why. Maybe we make it a little bit taller, but that's not awful. Okay, that looks nice. Now we need the scroll container bar to not look terrible.
Oh, this is the good luck part that I get to tell you about. I get to say good luck to you.
What, the scroll bar?
Yeah, you're not gonna find it.
I know I did it once.
You are not going to find it. This is actually one of the parts of Godot that I think that they should.
Where
there
is
should be
it?
something different.
Is it in here?
Nope.
Is it in here?
Nope. You.
Is it in here?
I'll tell you right now, you're barking up the completely wrong tree.
Do
Like
I
just
need
100% wrong.
Do I need to add
No,
a scroll bar as a child?
Nope. You are 100% wrong on that side of the screen. You will not be over there.
Is it up here?
It's part of the theme. You have to edit it through the theme.
What? You have to?
So Control P, inventory theme.
I could have sworn I've manually done this before, but maybe not. Like,
don't
in
think
there.
I have. And what are you doing
That's
in
not
there?
it.
What are you doing in there, brother?
I just typed inventory and make
you
the
didn't. You
rest
typed
thing
inv.
okay.
And searched through 8 files and said, yeah, this is the one. You just clicked on one. I don't know why you did that. That was weird.
Don't worry about it.
You were like, yo, I'm just gonna do this, I guess.
I love when all of my windows randomly blink. Like, thank you. I needed that. Okay, I hate this already. How do I do this?
So you're gonna have to add an override for it. So you will click the plus.
I hate the theme UI so
you will
much.
Override H slider?
H slider.
Or H, it might be H scroll bar, actually,
It's
sorry.
H scroll bar. You're wrong.
Yeah. Yep. And then you can override the theme over there. It's off the side, so you're gonna have to scroll your thing to the right.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. And you can probably
This-
copy the things that I have on the vertical scroll bar. So if you over on the far right, you can look for V
Yep,
scroll bar over
here.
there.
V scroll bar.
Yep.
Styles.
Yeah, so you can probably just like drag
It's
those
like-
over. You have to actually add the override first, so you're gonna have to hit plus on all of those,
Oh.
and then you can drag them over. They don't update immediately, but like if you like
Oh, okay.
wait a little bit, they will. You can also make that window larger, so you don't have to play like the world's worst game of click the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I kind of hate that you have to edit it through the theme. Although the theme editor itself, I'm actually totally fine with. I think it's good.
It just confuses me every time I open it. Does this Did that
Almost.
maybe
Your grabber
work?
press is not set.
Grabber pressed?
Yeah.
Oh, is it not? Oh,
Nope.
oh, I see. I didn't hit the plus button. That's why it wasn't working.
You have to refine the theme, which you can do up on the top right. You can hit the back arrows.
Oh yeah, right. I forgot. Grabber pressed. Now let's hope this works.
You might actually just be able to see it in game right now. I think if you were to save and then. Nope, I lied. Uh-huh. That's fine.
That makes sense, maybe.
Yeah.
There's a chance it makes sense.
Speaking of balls, Ball X Pit win. What the hell? Ball X Pit soundtrack.
I tried Bollock's Pit. I tried the demo.
I
It
still
was
don't know what
okay.
the fuck that game is about. I'm assuming it's about a ball pit, but I don't think so.
Yeah, is that what the scroll bar looks like? And is it the same in the settings menu?
It is the same as in the settings menu, yes. Should be.
That's not true.
No? What does it look like in there? Oh.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's because it's probably different because this one is horizontal.
Oh yeah, it
So,
might be. Yeah, it might need different content margins,
Yeah.
which means you would need to make unique on all of those.
Yeah, okay, we'll go ahead and do that. In case.
Yeah, and then change that. Yeah, unfortunately, that's just how that works. Not a huge fan, but it's fine.
Actually, I mean, it looks... No, something's definitely not right on there. Yeah. What isn't right is the question. I don't know.
Also, check your scene and make sure your scene looks right.
I see what the issue is.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
because these need to be tile, I think. Maybe?
Ball X Pit is a brick breaker game?
It literally is, yeah.
That's crazy. It literally is. Yeah.
Have you never seen it?
No.
What?
Where the fuck are my sticker items? Where's everything at?
Like, what do you... huh?
What? What?
Like, I'm surprised.
Ah, dude, I don't know. I just haven't. I don't know. Where the fuck
But-
are these?
Wait, what?
Why are they hidden?
I hit the save button and these all give them their unique thing. This thing went away. Oh, does it?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
fine. It's fine.
Okay, so it's fine to change them now. Okay.
Yeah. Should be. Hopefully. If it's not, I will yell, but it probably is.
Okay, we want this to be tile.
Why is this fucked up? You're never
Is
right.
this-
That's probably true.
Maybe this is working. Grabber press. Tile. Scroll. This might actually be messed up on the other ones as well.
I don't understand. What did I do? Why is everything hidden? Why are they so tiny? What happened?
Wait, something else around here. Hold up.
Hit a free update like 4 days ago. It's kind of sick. Love free updates. Oh. Wait, who are you focusing? What? What? Margin. Okay. HBox container sticker menu. Margin container. VBox container. Scroll container. VBox container sticker. Forge item sticker button. That's this dickhead back there. Yeah, that broke. Lol. How the fuck are you getting focused? You should not even be allowed to be focused. Because there should be a new layer up here, right? Unless you're not set to, you're set to manual. Fuck.
Editing this is making me realize that I think there's might be something messed up with the regular scroll bars as well.
What do you mean?
But some of the numbers are just weird. Let me just look at the menu and see. Okay, this looks like normal.
So reminder
that
that
doesn't.
you're going from a vertical scroll bar to a horizontal scroll bar. So the
Yes,
ones that
I know, but what I'm sorry.
it's just like you
This
should be able to
one
edit any of the values that are like vertical.
Yes,
You should be able to change the horizontal and change the horizontal to
I-
vertical.
I'm trying that and it's looking weird. But also, these ones are not matching at all what they look like in the editor or like in game. Like if you look at this, the red is like really thick, but I closed it. Sorry. If I reopen this, the red thing is like really thin.
Hmm.
And also, if you look, it's like has a weird gradient thing at like the top and bottom.
Where?
If you look very closely at the very top and very bottom of the bar, it's like slightly
Oh, I see. Yeah.
weird.
It might just be the preview in here is weird.
Maybe let me see what this looks like here then. You might be. Oh yeah, you're probably right because this looks like about right. Yeah, that's weird. See, this looks fine. Strange. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay. I don't know then. Yeah, I guess the preview is just messed up. Okay. Should be fine.
How the fuck am I ever getting stuck on this fucking button thing? There's like, it's letting me go places I shouldn't be allowed to. How the fuck are you focusable?
Okay, how do I set up controller now?
Add under the main control there,
Mm-hmm.
add a UI layer. Set the mode to visibility.
Mm-hmm.
And then the selection option C. Like the scene that you created, go into the scene.
Yeah.
And add a focus item. And then I think that's fine.
Is that it?
I think so.
Does it just magically
We'll
work?
find out.
What? What the hell?
It probably won't show anything because I don't think it has any. There's no like focus styles on the buttons. But I think so. If you have your scroll container set up to follow the thing whenever you use arrow keys, it should work.
Yeah.
I hope.
I don't know if it's set up to do that. Yeah, it is highlighted.
Yay.
It does not scroll, but
Did you use the base scroll container?
yes.
Change it to the scroll container that we have, the custom one.
Is there a special one?
Yep. Sorry, not change. There's a script that you can attach. So if you
okay.
scroll down to like the script of the thing in your editor, your inspector, and then do quick load, it's just called scroll container.
Probably have to reload.
Yeah. That's I don't know actually if it works in horizontal. It probably should, but I don't know. Right there. Wait, I have a debug menu for this. Doesn't matter. Current layer is Forge UI. You're a bastard, motherfucker. Shouldn't be. It should be this. What?
Yeah, that didn't change anything, by the way.
It didn't? Really? Scroll
Nope.
container.gd.
This is very satisfying, though.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. Then I guess for now, what you can do to get around it, put a note down to fix it, but you can go to the node and select follow active on like the default screen
Follow
container.
focus.
Or yeah, follow focus. Yeah. Yeah, that at the very least works. Yeah, the code that I stole from the Godot source code, only works, or it only does the vertical side of things.
Ah, I see.
But I'll just, yeah, if you add a note, I'll at some point go in and add the horizontal version.
Yeah. Well, I'm actually surprised how easy the UI is to work with.
Yeah, until you're doing whatever the fuck I'm doing, because apparently I did something wrong.
So I can do the simple UI.
Yeah.
I just had to make these like actually do something. But that shouldn't be hard to do. Look at all these cool skins too. Minus Callie. Callie's kind of ugly.
That's crazy, dude. He's calling my cat ugly.
Oh, also, oh, I need to make these like pass the thing, 'cause yeah.
Oh yeah.
UI stuff, you know, I always forget that those exist. Focus, mouse, pass. There you go.
Why the fuck does this have a UI group? That's weird. So why is this not working? And more questions at 8.
I can just connect this if I wanted to. Whatever, it'll work.
If you want
I
to
don't
know.
need to ask.
Okay.
I'm connecting the button pressed signal and all these to the cancel function, which will close the menu when you push a button, right?
Should, yeah.
Okay, that's what I want. Then I will look in the settings to see how we change the skins. That's the wrong thing.
Oh wait, I forgot. I don't have to go into the fucking thing to spawn in the forge. I can just spawn it right here. Oh, why is it not spawning?
That's so cursed.
Oh, because I think I
Populate
yeah.
skin. Oh, where is on skin? Oh, there's just a global stats.player skin. Okay, that works. Yeah.
I might call it quits soon. I'm running on Steam
What?
a little bit on this fucking.
I don't know.
anyway.
I don't know about that one, Twin. We might have to kill you.
Okay.
No, that's fair. It's like almost 10 o'clock.
It
We've
is
been
almost
streaming
10,
plenty.
yeah.
And
I get an answer
probably
from
I
people.
told Tone I'd talk to him about music stuff tonight, so still got more stuff to do.
Holy shit! Let's fucking go. Sorry, I'm just like, I'm ecstatic. I can't reproduce the bug because, or I can't have people test the bug because the 2 people I answered, or that I asked, said no, they don't have an ultra wide. Wilson said never on an ultra wide. He's on a 16:9 1440, which actually I might be able to test it on that actually. I might have him test.
Yeah, you might.
But the Nui said not anymore. She did used to have an
Not
ultra
anymore.
wide, but she got rid of it. Let's fucking go.
No, bad.
It's like curing the Black Plague. It's like basically equal.
Alright, dog.
Wow.
Sorry.
Okay, obviously I also need to make this look a little nicer and
And only show the ones you've unlocked or whatever.
if I don't know if we're gonna have unlocks, but we might.
Oh, during the demo?
And-
Probably not, maybe. But
Yeah. And also I want to have like a little animation when you click on it and you like hop into the thing.
Yeah. Does scrolling up and
Yeah,
down
look
work
at
in
that,
that?
this works. Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Let me test it on controller, not just keyboard.
Yeah.
Yeah, you the mouse off. You can't use like the stick to scroll.
Yeah.
This makes sense.
You can't like press A. Can you press A to select the button?
Yeah.
Like it does work?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just need to like make the highlight a little bit better. I mean, you might be able to see, but it is highlighting them. It's just
Yeah,
very faint. Obviously, I want to play as Uni, the goat.
Oh, can you do me a favor whenever you get a second?
Mm-hmm.
Can you run far to the left so the camera locks while you're on controller?
Yeah, it works.
Okay. I want you to see how like the aim is attached to the player, and so whenever you're like whenever it locks, the aim becomes like further to the left than it normally would be.
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
The
I just
aim
wanna-
should be locked to the player because whenever you're hitting something, it's relative to the player, so the aim should be relative to the player.
Yeah. Okay, I'm putting you on screen. I'm out of steam.
Okay. I think that's pretty much everything I was doing for tonight. I wanted to get that working, and it works. As I said,
Hooray.
I can make it play a little animation, and you like hop behind this, and then when you select it, it closes the menu, and then you like hop out with the new skin.
Yeah.
That's kind of the idea.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I want to show you something as well. Can you go back into the hub level?
This guy.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Me, 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 me. Meow, 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 meow.
I just want to show you something real cool.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go back over to the skin menu and open it up. Okay, and then close it. Go into the code for that menu.
Mm-hmm.
And then override a function. It's called should pause. And return true. Or sorry, return
I want
false.
to
Sorry.
return false. Yeah.
And then you can do that again. And now you can move around while the menu's open. Just a little.
Oh, wait, I could even.
Hmm?
I could probably even make it that like you could move if I wanted to. I'm not going to, but like
Yeah.
if you move around, but if you leave the interaction area, it closes the menu. Could do that because I've referenced the interaction area. I could just be like, if you exit,
Mhm.
it does that. But
Yeah.
okay, that's cool.
The only thing I
never
had
do
to
some more UI stuff then.
Little DC for. Actually, I don't think I had to do much for my keyboard. My MIDI keyboard comes with scripts for FL Studio, and the only thing I had to do was put the scripts in the Wine FL Studio folder and run them, which allowed it to find my MIDI keyboard. I'm so fucking surprised, because whenever I have FL Studio open, the keyboard that I have can tell if you're running either FL Studio, Ableton, or like a couple of other ones, and it shows like a little thing based on like what you have selected as your instrument in the DAW. And even running FL Studio through Wine with my MIDI keyboard plugged in, it actually can still track what is selected in FL Studio, which is like honestly kind of hella impressive. Wine has gotten so much better since the first time I tried using that I was going to call it a shit program. It's not a shit program. It's very impressive, even when it was shit to use. But yeah. All right. I think that's where I'm calling it tonight. Thoughts, prayers?
Sounds good. Yeah.
All right. So we will be back on Sunday, most likely. Oh, I guess I haven't told you this, nor have I told people, but I will likely not be streaming next week. Because
What?
I am, so I have some plans. Because I'm going to see my parents. Because I'm gonna head over to like
You better
a
still be
few.
working on Dante 9.
Huh?
Sorry. I'm joking.
Burn.
Said you better still be working on Dante 9.
Burn.
Well, we do.
Yeah, but I'm
If it
gonna.
was any other week, maybe.
Yeah, that's great. But I'm gonna be away for a couple of days, and I don't know what days they're gonna be on,
That's
but I will just likely not be streaming. So,
That is fine. I can play stream by myself. I can do that.
yeah, no, I believe in you. But anyways, I will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for chatting, asking questions, and everything. And if you want to, you can check out the game on Steam. You can join the Discord, ask the questions. We hang out in there, so you can also just hang out. But I will catch you guys later on Sunday. Good night, everyone.
Meow. Wow.